morning and welcome to the day for the multi-cloud plus DevOps with AI batch. Okay, in this day one, day two, whatever we have covered, let me quickly show it to you so that it will be very clearable ki what we have covered, what we have missed it. Okay, I'm just coming into the my website www.clouddevopshub.com. As soon as I come into this website and we have started this batch on the 29th September. Can I get your confirmation from everyone? We have started this batch on 29th September. Yes, no? Yes, no, please confirm, please confirm. Bolo.
Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, guys, you can unmute and speak up as well. Okay, and from the 29th September, this is the roadmap which we are following, which is clearly mentioned into the website itself. This is the roadmap which we are following. And in this roadmap, if you will come up here, the day one related things, which we made it in the evening completely green. Okay. As well as this green part. Guys, can I get your confirmation? Is this green part is completed? Can I get your confirmation? Is this green part is completed? Yes, no? Everyone, please bolo yaar, bolo.
Yes.
भाई जो
Yes, yes,
कैमरे पे बैठे हैं,
completed.
अपनी शक्ल से बोल दो. Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. And the thing is little bit related to day two is pending. Okay. Which we would like to do it or right away. I would like to complete it. Okay. Then only we will move into the day three. My agenda is like, guys, if anything is missed by any reason in our previous class, so we will complete that and then we will move into the next. Okay. So this is the thing which is pending. और कल क्या करा था? चलो quick revision. Guys, what we did yesterday? Go ahead. Speak up. बोलो. क्या क्या किया था कल? Go ahead. Go ahead. Speak up. आई डोंट लाइक साइलेंट पीपल्स क्योंकि उनकी जॉब नहीं लगती. रियली नहीं लगती. बोलो. आई नीड ए स्पीकर्स.
We learned cloud computing
रमेश
yesterday
कैमरा
and
रमेश come up on the camera, come up on the camera, please. It will be great. Okay, so that from the day one itself, from now itself, you are practicing for the interviews. Okay, I want you to prepare for the interview. Yes, because when we record it और जब रिकॉर्ड करते हैं और कैमरे पे बंदा नहीं दिखता तो वो लगता है कि हु इज स्पीकिंग, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई वी नीड अ पीपल ऑन द कैमरा. आ जाओ यार रमेश, गो अहेड. थैंक यू.
okay,
ग्रेट.
so yesterday we learned cloud computing and we did the practical on IaaS, PaaS and
वेरी
SaaS.
गुड. वेरी गुड. यस. यस, यस. और
And
बोलो यार, और भी बहुत कुछ किया था. 1.5 घंटा, 1.5 hour we are learning, right? So what we did
so
yesterday, these are the topics which has been planned for yesterday. Okay, and in all these topics we have thinking that how much we are able to cover up this part, and in this we have covered up these three things. Okay, SAS, PS and IAS, right? But still the bigger part is all the pending. Chalo, can I get at least the full form from you guys? What is FAS, DS and STS? Bolo, क्या होता है FAS? क्या
Function
होता
as
है?
a
What do you mean
service
by
and
FAS?
function as a service and database as a
Function
service.
as a service. What do you mean by function as a service? What is the meaning?
Sir, we are using the lambda function to automate or complete our task.
Correct. We can use it in every cloud. There is a one what serverless activities is there, FAS. We can use it. Okay, cool. And DAS, from the name
Data,
itself is clear. Bolo, क्या DAS?
Database as
database,
a service.
क्या? What?
database
What?
as a service.
Database as a
Database as a
service.
service. Okay, database
Yes.
as a service. Okay, but in we don't have to focus on database as a service. We can focus primarily on CAAS. अब ये क्या होता है भाई बोलो. Bhupendra don't know. What about this? भाई container as a service, Kubernetes, Docker related activities. Okay, so we will primarily focus on container as a service. When you focus on function as a service or container as a service, right, then only see IS, PS, SS. So every 15 LPA people knows. Okay, 15 LPA people knows. If you want more than 20, 25, 30 LPA package, then we have to focus on this area as well. Make sense? Getting my point? Yes, no? Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay. चलो quickly हम लोग देखते हैं. Yesterday we have seen this all things. Okay. What is cloud computing? We have seen a lot of definitions. Okay. As well as guys, whoever has missed it, the yesterday session, no need to worry. We have uploaded the recording or I already given the links of the recording into our WhatsApp community and WhatsApp group as well. This is the WhatsApp community which we have created for you guys. And here I already provided this link. See, here is the day two recording, day two PPT. Okay. If you will come up here, day one recording, day one PPT. If anyone is not in our WhatsApp community, I'm giving you the link again. Okay. Please click on this link and join it. Okay. So that what happen, you will get the information automatically. Okay. Cool. Thank you. So now I'm coming back here. Okay. And yep. And if anyone is not in any of the community or they are watching this video on the YouTube, you can scan this barcode and at least be into the part of the community so that at least you will get the information. Okay. Cool. Now I'm coming here and we have did one of the practical, which is this practical we have did it. Uh, yeah, this is the practical which we did. Okay, we created one of the website with on the Google Cloud. We created a virtual machine. We have installed Docker. We have installed the we have downloaded the code of the website, and then we have run the Nginx as well as on the Nginx we have run the one static website as well as we have run the one of the Windows 11 emulator website as well. Correct? Yes, no, all good,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? Cool. In the last class, why we did it? There is an intention, okay? Because see, when I took the infrastructure from the cloud, that means I can say that I took IaaS service or I was using the IaaS service. When I install the Docker and Nginx also inside my infrastructure, then it become Docker. When I install the Docker inside my infrastructure, then I can say I created the platform as a service. When I install Docker, Nginx, and code of the website as well, then it's a software as a service for you all guys. Okay. If I have a platform, now next point, if I have a platform, I can use any of the software or any of the service or any of the application. If I will use this, again, it's a software as a service. Now I can install Jenkins, I can install any of the UI based application who can help me out. So I can say that software as a service. If I have a platform, I can install the required software or required data, then it will become a useful for me. Make sense? Yes or no? I need a platform. After that, we can do lot of things. Agree? Yes, no? Guys, everyone agree? Yes, no, guys. Yes, no. Confirm, please. Confirm.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So now we have did yesterday kara tha, okay. Yesterday we have discussed this, so I don't want to discuss that all things. Now I'm coming here when completely traditional approach is there, okay. So if it's a complete traditional approach, means your data center approach, then you have to manage all these things. Means you have to manage the application, you have to manage the data, you have to manage the runtime, middleware, operating system, virtualization, each and everything. When you took the infrastructure as a service, what happened? Networking, storage, services, virtualization, and operating system related activities will be taken care by the cloud provider. Is that okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone? Is everyone? At least write yes into the chat box. At least. Thank you, Anand. Thank you, Darshan. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now, when we talk about the platform as a service, when we are talking about platform as a service, we are getting this all things delivered by the provider itself. Okay, cool. When we are talking about the software as a service, we are getting each and everything ready-made available from the provider itself. That is called software as a service. Okay. In future, we are going to create every varieties of example. Means if we are creating the virtual machine, we are creating the infrastructure. Okay, or we are taking the infrastructure from the cloud. If we are taking the database system, RDS system in the future classes, okay, means I will teach you the RDS system as well, then we can straightforward call as a platform as a service. Okay. When we are taking the ready-made service like SQS, SNS, directly sending a details or directly running the application, directly running the IM application, then we can call as a we are taking the service from the cloud provider and we can directly use it. Getting my point? Yes, no? Yes, no,
Yes.
yes, no, yes,
Yes,
no.
sir.
Everyone, everyone. Thank you. Okay, so in the upcoming classes, we have to take the examples. One day, we are going to learn one services of the cloud. Okay, then you will understand in a very better way. Thank you. Now, if I will ask you the serverless service, anyone heard about this name? I'm making it blur. Okay, now tell me what is serverless service? Go ahead. बोलो क्या होता है serverless service का नाम सुना है? Have you heard about this name?
We don't worry about the hardware device.
No. No need to worry about the
about
hardware
that service,
infrastructure.
like as a Lambda service.
Okay, okay. कुछ और better answer, better answer.
We don't
हाँ,
have to
so yeah,
worry.
go ahead.
We don't
Guys,
have to
please,
worry
my
about
humble request, AD, what is your genuine name? Please, guys, humble request, if you will not join with your genuine name, not with your genuine mobile number or email ID, okay? There may be chances we have a Zoom automated bot, he will remove you, okay? If he will not, Zoom will not remove, I will remove if any XYZ unnecessary name came, okay? Today there is a person AD, okay? So I need your genuine name should come into the this way, okay? If any unknown name will come, we will remove you directly from the Zoom meeting. Is that okay? Cool. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes, serverless. We are talking about serverless. Bolo.
Not required to any maintenance. Not required to server maintenance.
थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलो यार, थोड़ा सा
If
better answer.
if
Serverless
any
means we do not
services,
need to
We
worry
don't need
about
to
the
manage the
services, or
server
we
OS
don't need to
and
worry
hardware.
about what is going on in the back end. We just utilizing the services.
Okay, so let me try to give the answer. Okay, serverless is type of service where you don't need to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Okay, means let assume you have an application. You don't have to think कि भाई मैं इसके अंदर 2 GB RAM रखूंगा या 4 GB RAM रखूंगा या 6 GB RAM रखूंगा. Okay, you don't have to worry. Okay, what you can do it, you can come up with your code, take the infra from the cloud provider, that is serverless. If your infra is, if your code required more memory, more CPU, then automatically this will get increased. If the traffic got increased, automatically he will give you more resources and CPU. And in the another way, if the resources are not required, if you feel that it is not required, so it will get vanish also, remove also. Means on demand, whenever you need it, इवेंट बेस की भाई आज जरूरत है तो देन ओनली यू विल गेट इट. लेट्स सेकंड डायरेक्ट एग्जांपल, होटल. ओके, वी आर नॉट ऑलवेज स्टेइंग इन होटल, एग्री राइट? We are not 24/7 staying into the hotel. Whenever we have any event, okay, whenever we want to do some activity, we will go to the hotel, we will do the activity and we will come back, right? Yes, no? Agree? So when any event is happening, when the event based activity we would like to do it, we can do with the help of serverless system as well. One point. Second point, let us assume your team don't want to maintain any of the DevOps team, any of the operation team, any of the infra team, any of the platform team. Then you can go and use the serverless service. Charges are very, very high. Okay. तुम्हें अपना घर नहीं बनाना, sir. मुझे अपना kitchen नहीं बनाना. I can always stay into the hotel. I will eat the hotel items, right? Possible, yes or no? But it will be very, very costly. Okay. But not none of the very rarely companies will always stay. कोई को देखा है क्या कोई any friend who is always staying in hotel only? कोई है ऐसा? No, right? Very difficult. Right? So what happened in the companies also, we are not like that here, we are completely using the serverless because it is very costly. Instead of that, we can hire a DevOps team, platform team, infra team, and we can set up everything by ourselves. Make sense? Getting my point? Okay, so
Yes.
what exactly the serverless is? We don't have to manage the underlying infrastructure by one. So guys, this is what we have to do the practicals. Okay, in the upcoming classes, we will do the practicals on the serverless activities as. Make sense? Clear? Cool. Now I'm going more deeper into it. Okay, now we have three major projects, okay, which I am planning to do it. The third project completely on the monolithic application. If I will ask you monolithic, what do you mean by monolithic architecture? क्या होता है monolithic मतलब?
We have a single
sir.
code base. We have to write a code if we get the new requirement, and also we have to test it, and also we have to deploy in the single
Monolithic. My question is monolithic.
single
It's a
code base.
very
Entire
tightly
architecture.
coupled application.
Correct.
Even
Minimal,
if
Entire. हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो. Yes yes. Continue
it's a
clear.
minimal infrastructure which we can run single,
Client
single
server
application.
model.
Right. No.
like even for a small change, we have to build the
Yes,
whole application.
Web,
monolithic.
web and database.
सब
Three types.
एप्लीकेशन सर, सब एप्लीकेशन का फंक्शनलिटी एक ही ईआरओआर में रहता है या एक ही एप्लीकेशन में रहता है, तो उसको अपन मोनोलिथिक बोलते हैं. लाइक
We have
सपोज
All
सपोज
all
लॉगिंग फ्लैग
services
One
interconnected with each
server
other.
installed on one operating system with one multiple application is called a monolithic application.
I see. Think it in that way. Okay, see, you are sitting into the interview. Okay, just other line, yeah, just incomplete answer bolke, you will not get selected. Okay, so listen with me. Okay, when the monolithic came, okay, it's tightly coupled with each other. Okay, मतलब सब लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर dependent होते हैं. Okay, the another keyword for monolithic application is a three-tier architecture. Okay, three-tier architecture. When I'm talking about three-tier architecture means front end, middleware, and database are there. If any of the service goes down, my application will not work. That is called monolithic architecture. Getting my point? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, no, yes, no. Now add your point. अब बोलो अपने points. अब add करो अपने points. Or who knows the answer, give the respect to others. Okay, raise your hand, unmute yourself so that I will call your name and then you can come up or directly come up on the camera so that we can able to see you. Go ahead. Bolo. Yeah, Pramod. Ramesh, go ahead.
All services interconnected with each other in the monolithic application.
Correct. Okay. All services are connected with each other, front end, middleware, or database. These are called monolithic architecture. We will create one of the monolithic architecture in our project 3 as well. Okay. Chalo. What is microservice based architecture?
There are lots of services, but they didn't means depends upon each other, sir. If one service is destroyed, okay, but it's created a default service and the work is continuously going on.
There, there are multiple services are available. Okay. They are independent with each other. If let assume by any of the reason one service goes down, so it will not affect the complete environment. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? If one service goes down, it will get affect the other environment as well. Okay. But in the microservice, let assume this service. Let's take an example, payment service. Okay. In our e-commerce website, if the payment service goes down, it will not affect the front end, it will not affect the another part. Okay, only when you will come to the payment or whoever is doing the payment, he will get affected. Okay, so the benefit of like if any of the service goes down, it will not affect the complete business. So microservice based architecture is possible with the help of Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, getting my point? Yes, no, all good. Okay. And we are going to create one of the project into the microservice based architecture. Okay. Another project I am planning for you guys is serverless architecture. Means you don't have any infra. Okay. CPU, memory, disk, कुछ नहीं है. Okay. What you have just code. एक Python का code है. Okay. You have just Python code and you are thinking कि नहीं, I want to run this as an application. Okay. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Come up with your Python code. We will create AWS Lambda function on the AWS cloud and we will directly use it. We will directly put the code so that what happen whenever your application is required or whenever the code will be available or whenever you will say I want on this particular time, the infra will be available. After that, it will be down. Getting my point? That is called serverless architecture. Make sense? Yes, no, yes, no. High level idea समझ में आया?
Yes.
Right? Good. Now, guys, if you will complete this 3 project, तब जाके 6 month, 1 year, you can write all the 3 projects in your resume. Okay, or your experience will become 2 to 3 years into the cloud and DevOps. Make sense? Getting my point? Okay. If you will write one year every project, so you can ask 5 lakh rupees for every project also. Okay. So means you can add 15-20 lakh rupees value in your resume. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Now you will ask the question because how can I add? भाई तुम्हारा जो current project होगा, okay, उसको we will understand and we will add some points related to these points in your current resume. Okay, so that your company, your resume, your everything, but idea will be advanced level which is on demand. Getting my point? समझ में आया क्या बोला मैंने? Can anyone repeat what I told? Can anyone repeat क्या बोला मैंने अभी resume के बारे में? बोलो प्लीज अनम्यूट करके बोलो या प्रिया.
Yeah, we will customize our resume like based on our company's project, but we'll add more advanced points in that on top.
Correct. You have to add some more better keywords, more technical keywords, more advanced keywords in your resume. That's it. Cool. Okay. Then your resume or your value will be increased. That's it. Okay. Nice. Okay. I'm coming back here. Yeah. And I can say that yes, we have to spend our time. Means I will spend 1 week into the IAS, 1 week into the container as a service, and 1 or 2 days into the function as a service. Okay, so that you will be very good in all the cloud computing concepts. Okay. सर अभी सिखा दो भाई, अभी तो वर्चुअल मशीन सीखेंगे, देन ओनली आईएएस विल सीख पाएंगे, करेक्ट, एग्री? Yes, no. We have to focus on Docker and Kubernetes, then CAS सीख पाएंगे. We have to focus on the functions, cloud functions, then only Lambda, then only we will able to do the FAS. Okay. So yes, I need a one day or two day time or one week of time to teach you all these things. Correct? This cannot be happen over the night. Everyone agree? Sab agree ho? Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Agreed.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Now, these are the theory which I already given to you. This PPT, this record, this PPT already given to you. Okay, you can have a look little bit into the theory part. Okay, cool. And now next part is we will compare all the three clouds. Okay, after some time, after 1 month, we will compare all the services which are available in AWS, which are available in Google Cloud, which are available in Azure, so that you will be see now my suggestion. Okay, when we will start learning the Google Cloud, you can create a Google Cloud account with me. Got it? Okay, means tomorrow we are going to create a Google Cloud account. So you all will create a Google Cloud account. 1 week we will focus or 2 weeks we will focus only on the Google Cloud. Okay, जब तक Linux पढ़ना है. Okay, after that, as soon as our Linux will get complete, we will move into the AWS side. So we will create a AWS account. 3 weeks or 1 month हम लोग पूरा AWS पढ़ेंगे. So we will work primarily into the AWS. उसके बाद फिर Google Cloud पे आएंगे. Then what we will do it, we will learn the Kubernetes into the Google Cloud with DevOps. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे AWS और GCP दोनों use करेंगे. Like this, we will use the services. Okay. And after that, after 30 days or after 40 days, we will create a Azure account and we will do one project on the Azure as well. Make sense? Understood my plan? Okay. Then if you know the things very easily, you can able to compare. Very easily you have to compare it. Okay. So you will be able to learn all the three clouds in the short duration. Okay. Any question here? Any question here? Or all good?
All good.
Good.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. My God, Mukesh Singh, you are a very senior person. Look like very senior person.
But I am not.
But
Don't
your
go by
breed
my
says.
face.
But your
Yeah,
breed
don't go
says.
by my face. Don't go by
What
my
you are telling?
face, or I'm
From
saying
your
don't
breed,
go
I
by
can
my
understand that
face.
you are a senior person.
Yeah, but I'm not. I'm not. I'm 34-year old, but due to this whiteness or gray color of my beard, I look more older than that. So I agree with
Cool,
that. Yeah.
cool. Nice. Thank you. Nice to get to know this part. Okay, cool.
You are not alone.
Cool. Yeah. Okay. So I can say that guys, learn the cloud, multi-cloud plus DevOps with AI, and you can work in any of the cloud. That's it. Okay. And this is just a high-level comparison of different clouds as well, which you will not able to understand, but after learning, we will able to understand this all. Cool. Now my day two. There is one more point is pending. Okay. In the day two, it is mentioned that compute traditional approach. Okay. When I'm talking about the traditional approach, okay, just see this image, you will able to understand. Okay. I will ask you one question. Why AWS has created this many services? I have a question, guys, for you, everyone. Why AWS has created a 200 services? What is the reason? Can you tell me?
To replace traditional things to replace the traditional things means like for PM for a real before you used to use computer AWS use EC2 before you used database then AWS use something more resources to replace the all the thing whatever we do whatever you used to do without cloud replace everything with one infrastructure.
Okay. चलो. Any other person? Short में, थोड़ा short.
To target
Short and sweet answer. Yeah,
to
go ahead,
target
Priya. Go
different
ahead,
customers,
Kamal. Yeah.
target different kind of customers, so that someone who is good with coding, who can use other databases as well, other services rather than other than coding, other than someone who is good at database can work with other services, but use database as a service.
My turn. नहीं समझ में आ रहा. Okay. नहीं
Vikas,
समझ में.
AWS
Yeah.
wanted to dominate the cloud platform. So once customers comes on the AWS, he never go back to the other client other providers.
See, let assume you are using some storage related activities. Okay. Earlier you are using NS, DS. RDBMS. Okay, 10 years back, guys, we are using the storage and databases in these devices. Okay, so AWS understand that people are storing into this and they are facing a lot of difficulties in the traditional approach. So he created one EFS, EBS volume S3s for you so that you can easily able to use these resources. Okay, so as soon as this thing came into the picture, people are leaving or forgetting about this traditional infrastructure. Okay, same way earlier when we need to create a CPU memory or CPU memory servers, then we are creating this type of racks. We are purchasing the hardwares. We are adding the CPU memory disk inside it. Then we are installing the operating system, and then only we are getting the servers. Now we can create a EC2 machine based on our requirement choice of AMI, and our servers will be ready. Right. So what I'm trying to say that earlier, whatever the things are there, things are getting migrated into the new things, or that's the new things. That's why AWS has to create a new services. Another important point, in everyone's house, there is a Wi-Fi connection. Correct? Yes, no? And till now, Wi-Fi is connected with wire, pipes, routers, things are there, and switches are there. Correct? Then only our Wi-Fi is working. Yes. Do you think that after 2 years or after 5 years also the same approach we will use it? Or something new may come? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think?
Something new might come.
Something
Yes.
new.
Something new will come. What new?
It
So
already
satellite
came.
Wi-Fi,
Starlink.
Geo Air, right? Airtel Air already came into the market, right?
Starlink.
So this Wi-Fi connections or this thing may be vanished. Router to chala jayega, okay? Switches will also get removed. Wires also get removed. Okay. So what I'm trying to say that there was something earlier, something new are going to get created, okay, and then things become traditional. Okay, that is the reason the
Hardware
AWS is creating new
compatibility.
things. What, Kamal? Yeah, bolo, kya bol rahe ho?
We can say we need to have the hardware compatibility at that time, but now we can easily select any option on cloud.
Correct. Okay. Earlier, we are very fixed, very fixed like that. If we want to use it, we have to use this particular hardware only, or we have to use that only. Okay. मैं बताता हूँ real में. When we have to use the Unix operating system, Unix की dependency होती थी कि वो Solaris के hardware या HP के hardware पे ही चल रहा था. Okay. Yes, some flavor of the Unix is only working into the HP hardware. So that is a big dependency. Okay. कि अगर हमें Unix का this particular flavor we want to use it, so we have to use this hardware only. Then only the sub team will be supporting it. So that type of things happens. Okay. So yes, so this all things, these are dependency, these are traditional things are getting removed slowly, and the new things are coming into the cloud. Okay, that's why AWS has to create a multiple services. पहले security guard होता था in front of the room. Now he created the IAM service. Okay, पहले ACLs होते थे. Now for the single security reasons, now NSCLs has been created. Okay, there are some firewalls. अभी भी firewalls होते हैं, but yeah, here we can call as a security group. पहले यहाँ पे firewalls की layers होती थी. Here also the same thing. The new thing, the security groups has been created. What I'm trying to say to you, earlier traditionally things are there which are getting migrated into the cloud services. Okay, that's why AWS has to create new service, or GCP also creating new service. Now your requirement is AI, ML, machine learning, anything, right? Whatever is your demands are coming based on that. AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure clouds are creating the services for you. Make sense? Understood? Okay. So in this line on of the syllabus, physical infrastructure, traditional approach. Yes, traditionally we have the things. Now it has been migrated slowly into the cloud. Yes, can I have your permission? Can I make this also green completely? ये permission है? अरे yes, no.
Yes, sir.
पक्का? चलो cool, thank you. Okay, so I just made it green. हो जाएगा वो, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Now what I'm doing it, I'm coming into the day 3. Okay, in the day 3 we are primarily going to discuss about the DevOps. अभी हमने cloud के बारे में बात करी. We are talking about the cloud. Now let's talk about the DevOps. Ready? Are you ready for DevOps? Next 1 hour, we will talk about the only about the DevOps tools. What are the problems? Why the DevOps has been came? Okay, so that your at least base will be strong. And from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going to from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start the Linux. Okay, cool. Now I'm coming here. Any question till now into the day 2? Anyone? Any question? Go ahead. Anyone? Any question? Or all good? Can I get a good into the chat box? अगर सब कुछ ठीक है तो can I get a good into the chat box? All good. Mohan is all good. Harsha is all good. Hemant is all good. Purvi, Ramesh, Komal, Jayant, Ashish. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Very good. Sudhir is telling very good. कुछ अच्छा लगता है if someone add one new word. Okay, all good. Thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot. Okay, चलो. Now what I'm doing it, I'm coming here and I'm coming to the day 3. Okay, now when I'm talking about the day 3, I'm directly talking about the top 10 DevOps tools. Okay, in the top 10 DevOps tools, everything will be covered about the DevOps. Okay, now this is primarily a day 3. We will talk the top 10 DevOps tools and everything about the DevOps will be covered up in this part. Okay. And when I'm coming here, we will start with very basic. Okay. The basic is like what exactly the DevOps is. Okay. Why the DevOps team has been founded, who can become the DevOps engineer, what are the real-time problems happen into the SDLC, what are the problems and the solution with the DevOps tool. Because when I'm talking about the top 10 DevOps tools, so there are problems and based on the problem, the solution has been came and then solution has been came from the DevOps tools. We are going to discuss that. ओके अमर इज टेलिंग कि एक डॉकर का वो क्या कहते हैं डॉकर कमांड वाज पेंडिंग ओके आई विल टेक इट ओके मैं ले लेता हूं ठीक है we will discuss about agile and waterfall and DevOps cycles. We will discuss that part as well. Okay, what DevOps engineer roles and responsibility, because when you decided you want to become a DevOps engineer, so why uski roles, responsibilities and everything we have to understand it. And very important part, 6 C's of DevOps which we have to do it, and we have to understand the top 10 DevOps tools and their uses. That is the pure agenda for the next 1 hour. Now I'm going inside it. Let's start with very basic. What is DevOps? होता क्या है DevOps? Like, what is DevOps? Go ahead. Yeah, Manisha, go ahead. Anyone? What is DevOps?
So for any creating a software, the
नहीं
development
इतना नहीं
tends
नहीं प्रिया डोंट गो इनसाइड अभी तो बेसिक आता था व्हाट इज डेवऑप्स पहले ये बताओ
development plus operations.
Correct. The word has been created, DevOps word has been created from the development and operation. Okay. If you will see this image, in this image, it is clearly mentioned कि भाई तुम किसी कंपनी में जाओगे, there may be chances you may work 30% only into the development of part, or there may be chances you will work 70% into the operation part. और उसका रिवर्स भी हो सकता है, there may be chances 70% of development work you do, और there may be chances only 30% of operation work you may do. Okay. तो कहीं फिक्स नहीं है कि भाई ये फिक्स है कि यही करना है. No. That's why we created an image like this कि भाई increase or decrease हो सकता है. Clear? Okay. And the word has been came from the two words development and operations. Cool. Okay. अब बोलो प्रिया. आगे next line. अब बोलो what more about DevOps?
It's Purvi. So to
अब
create any software, we have the development QA and the operation team who can work together to provide the best or the smooth transition of that software.
very good. Okay. When multiple teams working to develop any of the software, they have so many problems, manual works, taking long time, taking wrong mistakes. Okay. If multiple teams are working together to keep their processing and run the things faster, so new team has been created by DevOps. ओके नई टीम बनाई गई इन सबकी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए अब फायदा उसमें अपना क्या फायदा हुआ व्हाट इज अवर बेनिफिट भाई अगर तुम्हें डेवलपमेंट भी नहीं आता तुम्हें क्यूए भी नहीं आता टेस्टिंग भी नहीं आता थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ आता है तो यू कैन बिकम अ डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर वेरी इजीली गॉट इट मेक सेंस भाई तुम्हें कुछ नहीं आता बिकम अ डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर यहाँ पे थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ आता है लेट अज्यूम यू नेवर वर्क इनटू द डेवलपमेंट साइड ओके यू कैन से दैट आई नेवर गेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वर्क इनटू द डेवलपमेंट साइड ओके यू हैव गुड एक्सपोजर इनटू द ऑपरेशन साइड कह सकते हैं okay? कि भाई हमारी कंपनी में 70% तो ऑपरेशन ही होता है okay yeah possible this is a correct answer okay if you are not aware about development same vice versa आप ये भी कर सकते हो you can do for the same thing also. So that's why I'm telling again and again, if you don't know anything, you can become a DevOps engineer by learning just 10 tools. Oh, bus. Okay, easily. Okay. Now, what exactly more about DevOps? Okay. When this team has lot of issue in the software development life cycle, if any of the issue happen, miscommunication happen, okay, then this team will come into the picture and he will help. Okay. 1 point. Second point, if any of the team is doing lot of manual efforts okay कि भाई testing team बहुत ज़्यादा manual efforts he is putting it to do some activity okay so what you can do it you can give some automation tool भाई you can use this tool so that your things will run faster smoothly okay or if you are doing lot of manual mistake we DevOps here will give the tool key to use this tool so that manual mistakes will not happen okay let's take directly example for the testing okay if let's come to this website okay anyone test engineer here कोई test engineer है यहाँ पर anyone is the test engineer कोई है test engineer अरे यस मत बोलो डायरेक्ट अनम्यूट करके बात करो Directly unmute and talk with me. Yes, I am a test engineer.
Hello. Yes, I am a test engineer.
Vijay Patil, you are a test engineer. Vijay, I am giving a requirement. You have to test this website 5 times in a day. कैसे करोगे? How you will test manual testing? How you will do it?
मैनुअल तरीके से करेंगे, नहीं तो मतलब
अरे
ऑटोमेशन की बात
मैनुअल
कर रहे
करेंगे
हैं
अभी
आप?
मैनुअल. टीच एवरीवन कि मैनुअल कैसे करते हैं. गो अहेड.
मैनुअल हम उसके टेस्ट केसेस देखेंगे, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट्स देखेंगे कि रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है, रिक्वायरमेंट्स की बेसिस पे हम टेस्ट करेंगे, रिक्वायरमेंट्स
अरे
अच्छे से
रिक्वायरमेंट है.
पढ़ेंगे।
सी विजय 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 मैं बहुत ज्यादा थ्योरी सुनने में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ. डायरेक्टली से कि सर ये करो. बोलो, डायरेक्टली बोलो.
हम फंक्शनैलिटी पे फोकस करेंगे सर।
हाँ, फंक्शनलिटी पे फोकस. कैसे करेंगे? करो.
टेस्ट
स्टार्ट.
करेंगे सर, टेस्ट
अरे
करेंगे
करो भाई,
वेबसाइट।
टेस्ट करो. स्टार्ट करो. कैसे करेंगे? सर आई विल क्लिक हियर. आई विल चेक इट हियर. दिस पेज इज कमिंग और नॉट. ओके. आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस कि दिस पेज इज वर्किंग और नॉट. दिस रिडायरेक्शन इज वर्किंग और नॉट. आई विल क्लिक ऑन enroll now button. This work button is working or not, right? You will
यस
do this type of
यस
all the testing, correct? You will click कि हाँ
यस
भैया यहाँ पर. If I will click on
यस
dashboard, it is going
क्लिकेबल देखेंगे,
into the web. It is
राइट,
going into the web
यूआई,
server or not,
राइट
right?
राइट,
ये
यूआई
पूछ रहा
अलग से
हूँ.
देखेंगे। या
Correct.
यस
UI related things you will check. You will click on this link and you will get to know that okay, this all are working or not. If you will click here, it is working or not. Okay. Now Vijay,
यस
I will tell you that you have to do 5 times testing in a day. You will do it like this. कर सकते हो?
सर, इरिटेट हो जाएगा, कर तो लेंगे बट 5
भाई
टाइम्स अगर
25,000 सैलरी दूंगा, 20,000 सैलरी दूंगा एज ए टेस्ट इंजीनियर. करते हो तुम लोग, ठीक है, रियलिटी में. ओके.
यस
कुछ
यस
लोग 10-10 साल से सिर्फ यही काम करते हैं. ओके. यू टेस्ट
सर
केसेस
बट
लिखते हो और यही का एग्जीक्यूट करते रहते हो.
सर हम ज्यादातर के ऑटोमेशन पे फोकस करते हैं सर।
Good. Now tell me कि नहीं विकास sir, your requirement is 500 times in a day. I can't do manually. How you will do it
राइट,
manually? How you will do it with the automation? Go ahead.
सेलेनियम सर, सेलेनियम या प्लेराइट।
Correct. You will bring some tool that is called Selenium,
या
and
यस,
Selenium you how you will do the work? बोलो. Vijay answer दो please, अच्छे से answer दो.
हाउ विल डू मतलब सर समझा नहीं मैं।
विजय Selenium पे कैसे काम करोगे? My question is that.
सेलेनियम पे सर जो हमने मैनुअल से स्टेबल किया है, उसके एक्सपर्ट फाइंड करेंगे, उसके कोडिंग लिखेंगे, देन रन करेंगे।
Correct. उसमें manually guys what exactly happen in the Selenium? You have to record it. HPA file or a file, but there is a one file will be get created, or you have to run that
राइट
file so that what happen, the testing will happen automatically. Correct, Vijay?
राइट राइट, करेक्ट सर, करेक्ट।
तो हम लोग एक फाइल बनाएंगे. The test in automation engineer will create a file. Okay. अब how you will execute 100 times in a day? अब next interview question, 100 times कैसे execute करोगे उस फाइल को? ये बताओ.
सर CI/CD से करेंगे 100 टाइम।
CI/CD वगैरह नहीं करेंगे, और कुछ सिंपल आंसर दो.
सर 100 टाइम तो सर मैनुअली करना पड़ेगा उसको। अगर कोई
सर मैंने कार खरीदी
Cron
थी पर मैं उसमें
jobs.
धक्का लगा के चला रहा हूँ. राइट सर, मेरे पास एक्टिवा है पर मैं उसमें धक्का लगाता हूँ.
Count
What
triggers.
answer?
Trigger.
Hi, Zincron.
We have to schedule it. Okay, we will create a cron job or we have to schedule it कि भाई it should run on a particular time. Okay, so that time some new tools will come into the picture from the DevOps. Okay, there is a Jenkins tool. You can schedule with the help of Jenkins. Jenkins will run 100 times in a day. That is script. Got it? Otherwise, simple answer. You can bring a cron job. You can schedule a cron job और उसको run करोगे. I will teach into the Linux classes. Guys, you understood my idea? कि भाई manual things has been become automated now. Agree? Yes, no? So I just
Yes.
bring two tools in this situation. I just bring these two tools. Okay. In the testing, manual testing place where the Vijay team is doing lot of manual testing. वो उसको script बनाने के बाद भी वो manually execute कर रहा है 100 times in a day. Okay. तो ये तो waste of the efforts हो गए, right? So we will teach him कि भाई testing team, you don't have to do this type of work. We will give you the tool who will do this type of work so that you will not focus on the manual activity. You will focus on the automations. You will focus so that इससे फायदा क्या होगा? The benefit is like Vijay will be free. Okay, Vijay will be happy. Okay, Vijay दूसरों से लड़ाई नहीं करेगा कि I have lot of work. Okay, like that, and Vijay will work on the innovation part. Yes, no, agree? Right? And
Correct,
what is
sir.
the business benefit? The business benefit, भाई this cycle will run faster. अगर ये faster चलेगी, 100 time testing होगी automatically. If the 100 time testing will happen, so that what happen? Our product will be stable product. We will get a stable product. Getting my point? Yes, no? Yes, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right?
I'm audible,
Second.
sir.
You are audible. You are audible. Okay, cool. Now, second point. Okay. development phase. Okay, when the implementation phase came, the development phase, what tool we can, as a DevOps, you guys think yourself as a DevOps engineer. For the developers, which tool we can give to the developers? Go ahead, bolo. Bolo. चलो, now how many developers are here? मैं developer से बात करना चाहूंगा. I'm a DevOps engineer. I want to talk with the developers कि तुम कैसे काम करते हो, so that I will give you something good in picture. Go ahead. How many developers are here? भाई बोलो कि सर आई एम ए डेवलपर. कोई तो बोलो. आशीष पाटिल, यू आर ए डेवलपर. आ जाओ कैमरे पे प्लीज, 2 मिनट बात करनी है.
कैमरा इशू है सर थोड़ा, बाकी मैं से बात कर सकता हूँ.
चलो, ओके. आशीष, हाउ मेनी इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव?
2.5 years.
4.5 years. Okay. So
2.
as a
2.5.
developer, अरे 2.5 years. As a developer, what are the things you are doing?
Sir, first of all, my work is that client send to me send you some files. I have to extract this file with the help of code. I write the code, and after that we have to run the file with the help of cron job to get the automation, and we have to send the data to the client. Same,
ये
in same.
डेवलपमेंट, दिस इज नॉट ए डेवलपमेंट वर्क बड़ी. ये डेवलपमेंट वर्क नहीं है. नो. और कोई? एनीवन एल्स? भाई जो सच में कोड लिखता है वो वाला
I
बंदा
am
चाहिए.
a
आई वांट
developer. Yeah.
Purvi, you are a developer. Good. Chalo, now, nice. Okay, chalo. Now, guys, I would like to give some scenario, or I want to do it. Okay, chalo. I'm opening a pen. Okay, and not one person. I need 2, 3 person. Okay, दो तीन लोग आ जाओ. चलो. Purvi, one of the person is Purvi. Okay, Purvi, how much experience?
9 years.
9 years. Great. चलो, अब example बनाने में मजा आएगा. Guys, anyone? I need 2 more person. एक fresher और एक mid level person. Answer. रतन कितना experience है बोलो.
4 years.
रतन प्लीज अच्छे से बोलो. How much experience you have?
4 sir.
4 years. Okay, चलो guys, Ratan has a 4 years of experience. Okay, okay. और I want one more junior level person. Junior level person. Unmute करके बोल कोई भी. जया.
Hello sir.
शुभम. चलो.
Fresher.
शुभम. Okay. शुभम फ्रेशर है. बहुत बढ़िया. SUBH
No,
शुभम. 6
sir.
month
2 years of
experience.
experience.
नहीं,
Sir,
6
2
month
years.
बहुत.
2 years of experience.
अरे भाई मेरे को जूनियर चाहिए तो I will give
Okay.
6 month. ठीक है.
Okay.
6
Okay.
month के बाद
Okay.
जाओ. Cool, fresher. Okay, चलो guys, now I am giving a requirement. एक requirement दे रहा हूँ. That is very simple requirement. I would like to talk with Purvi, Ratan और Shubham. Okay, primarily. There is a one clock. I am developing one clock. Okay, client की requirement है कि ये clock बनानी है. Okay, you have to develop this clock. Okay, अब I want to talk with you कि you are into the designing phase और initial phase. Client has given the requirement कि you have to develop this clock. अब कैसे बनाओगे? ये बताओ. Help me out. क्या करोगे? First, from the basics. Purvi, you are a lead. Answer.
इसके लिए हम अगर हम इंडिविजुअली या तो हम कोड लिख सकते हैं, एल्स अब लाइब्रेरीज अवेलेबल है तो हम लाइब्रेरीज यूज करते हैं डेट एंड द टाइम फंक्शन के लिए.
ठीक है. ओके, थोड़ा सा और अच्छा आंसर दो ना. 9 years एक्सपीरियंस है. पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि 9 year एक्सपीरियंस
Like
को तो जान सकेगा.
we have written down the counter functions for the hour and the
First, चलो,
minute
I
and the
will help you
AM
out. I will
PM.
help you out. I will help you out. Client has given the requirement. You have to develop a clock. पहले तुम तीनों बैठ के डिसाइड करोगे किस लैंग्वेज में बनाना है. Decide it, guys. Which
Correct.
language you have to use? Java, Python, Go, .NET, JavaScript. Which one? And why?
Anything will work like JavaScript or Python for me.
Python or JavaScript will be suitable for you. Okay. What about others?
Sir, Python.
Java. Okay. Java. Okay. एक बंदा Java में. क्यों भाई? Why you are using the Java? What is the benefit? सब लॉजिक्स लिखोगे तो इट विल बी अ 400 लाइंस ऑफ कोड. अगर जावा में लिखने बैठ गया तो 400 लाइंस का कोड बन जाएगा. ओके, तो आई विल नॉट सिलेक्ट द जावा लैंग्वेज. नो. ओके, एनीवन? और कोई? सी. सी में क्यों लिखोगे? विच वन? सुधीर, विच वन?
Python, sir.
पाइथन. चलो, व्हाई पाइथन? गो अहेड, गिव मी द रीजन व्हाई पाइथन.
Because of when we have to means write any code like even or like this big code, it's very less code we have to write in Python, sir.
Modules are available in
Modules
Python.
are
You
available
can
already,
Guys,
sir.
give the
Yeah.
see, give the answer. Ready-made modules are there. Okay, ready-made libraries are there. You just have to import the library, IMPO, import library. इसका टाइम, इसका नाम है लाइब्रेरी का, ओके, डेट एंड टाइम, डेट एंड टाइम, ये डेट एंड टाइम की लाइब्रेरी को इंपोर्ट करोगे तो यूर 90% वर्क इज डन, ओके, 90 का 95% वर्क इज डन, ओके, दैट्स इट। अब उसके बाद ये सब दिस थ्री, पूर्वी, रतन और शुभम हैज डिसाइडेड, ओके, नाउ अब एक टिकट आई है, ओके, द क्लाइंट रिक्वायरमेंट, तो व्हाट यू विल क्रिएट ए स्टोरी, योर स्क्रम मास्टर विल क्रिएट ए स्टोरी कि भाई एक टाइम की घड़ी बनानी है, क्लॉक, राइट, एक स्टोरी बनेगी क्लॉक की, ओके, उसके अंदर ही विल क्रिएट 3 जीरा टिकट्स, 3 टिकट्स बनाएगा वो, भाई 3 लोग हैं तो तीनों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा ही करेगा, राइट, ऐसा तो है ना कि शुभम विल जस्ट वॉच, ऐसा तो होगा नहीं, राइट, तो ही विल क्रिएट 3 टिकट्स, ओके, 3 टिकट्स बनाएगा, पूर्वी को देगा सबसे टफ टिकट क्योंकि पूर्वी इज एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन, ओके, तो पूर्वी लेगी लास्ट फंक्शनलिटी चेक करना, या पूर्वी विल वर्क ऑन द आवर मॉड्यूल, HRS आवर्स मॉड्यूल, ओके, रतन इज ए मिड लेवल पर्सन तो उसको मिनट का मॉड्यूल दे दिया, ओके, और शुभम इज ए फ्रेशर तो उसको AMPM का फीचर दे दिया, गॉट इट, यस नो, ओके, नाउ पूर्वी, टू राइट दिस कोड ओनली आवर्स मॉड्यूल का लिखना है, हाउ मच टाइम विल बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू टू कंप्लीट दिस पार्ट?
हार्डली 1 hour, और अगर हम डायरेक्टली लाइब्रेरी यूज कर रहे हैं तो इट इज हार्डली 5 minutes।
नहीं, 2 hours में तुम्हें 2 hours, यू विल टेक 2 hours, ठीक है, यू विल डू टेस्टिंग एंड चेकिंग 2 hours, ओके, रतन, हाउ मच टाइम विल बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू, कितना टाइम चाहिएगा करने के लिए?
Maybe whole day or 1 to 2 days.
कम से कम 2 दिन तो चाहिए सर, ओके, बिकॉज मिड लेवल पर्सन हूँ मैं, 2 लाख रुपए से 4 लाख रुपए सैलरी देते हो तो थोड़ा टाइम लूंगा, घूम के आऊंगा। शुभम, हाउ मच टाइम यू विल टेक?
Sir, 4 to 6 days.
हाँ, करेक्ट,
I'm
ओके, फ्रेशर वाली
fresher.
बात करी ना, बिल्कुल 4 days, या 4 to 6
Ah,
days, ओके। अब नाउ नाउ दे आर इन अ टीम, ओके, शुभम विल डेफिनेटली टेक 3-4 days, उसको नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा पाइथन क्या है, ओके, फर्स्ट टाइम आ गया कोड लिखने, ओके, नाउ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज, पूर्वी हैज रिटन द कोड इन 2 hours, ओके, तो पूर्वी ने अपना कोड लिखकर ही केप्ट इट इनटू हिज लोकल मशीन, ठीक है। रतन, अब रतन का भी, पूर्वी इज वेटिंग क्योंकि पूर्वी तो यूएस लोकेशन में, पूर्वी को डोंट हैव एनी कांटेक्ट, नहीं जानती वो एक दूसरे को, ओके, पूर्वी इज इनटू द यूके लोकेशन, ओके, पूर्वी वाज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट कि रतन कौन है, शुभम कौन है, हेल्प करना है कि नहीं करना, पूर्वी को पता ही नहीं है, ओके, कूल, नाउ पूर्वी इज रिटन द कोड और शी इज एंजॉयिंग कि यार उसको पता ही नहीं करना क्या है आगे, ठीक है, व्हेन द अदर्स कोड विल कम तब हम लोग बात करेंगे, ओके, जब टीम लीड विल से कि यार हमें मर्ज करना है कोड को, देन ओनली वी विल डू इट। नाउ रतन इज राइटिंग द कोड, रतन इज स्ट्रगलिंग, रतन हैज रिटन द कोड इन 2 days, शुभम, रतन एंड शुभम दे आर हेल्पिंग ईच अदर, तो हम लोग का इनका कोड हो गया 3 दिन में कंप्लीट, ओके, 3 days में कंप्लीट हो गया, 3-4 days में फाइनली कंप्लीट हो गया। नाउ दे आर सर्चिंग द पूर्वी की, पूर्वी का आवर्स मॉड्यूल का कोड भी ले लेते हैं और पूरा मर्ज करते हैं, राइट, यही होगा, एग्री? नाउ पूर्वी वाज थिंकिंग कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो शी टुक इट 3-4 days लीव ले ली, तो अब क्या करेंगे ये लोग, बैठ के इंतजार करेंगे पूर्वी का, दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट, यस और नो, होता है, राइट, इन द जनरल, बट वी आर नॉट यूटिलाइजिंग द प्योर पावर ऑफ पूर्वी। पूर्वी हैज 9 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस और पूर्वी ने अपना कोड अपने लोकल सिस्टम में रखा है, दैट इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम। तो द न्यू सजेशन वी विल गिव एज a DevOps engineer, don't keep your code in the local machine. As soon as your code is complete, push your code into some centralized location. What is the centralized location? कौन सी होती है?
GitHub.
GitHub।
Repository.
Okay. Now, if your code is done, okay, push your code into the GitHub और जाओ जहां जाना है। Okay, तो what we will suggest to the पूर्वी और पूर्वी के मैनेजर को, okay, as a DevOps, और अब होने लगा, ऑलरेडी हो रहा है, this all things are कि पूर्वी your code is complete in the 2 hours, you can complete your code and go and do the other work, अपनी requirement का another work pick कर, got it, yes, no? तो we will utilize the actual whatever we are paying 30 lakh 40 lakh rupees to पूर्वी, so we will use the actual पूर्वी, correct, yes, no? कि वो वेट करने का टाइम नहीं होगा। As soon as Purvi code is completed, she will send it into the push into the GitHub and she will go into the another one. Same way, Ratan has completed, Shubham has completed the work. They will push the code into the centralized location into the GitHub, and then they will merge the code. Shubham or Purvi. At the end, everyone will come and they will merge the code and they will test or they will create one of the application कि भाई ये हमारी application बन गई cloud. Correct? Yes, no? ऐसे ही होता है. Agree? Guys, everyone?
Yes।
Right? When the create, okay, in front of the client, you publish that कि सर हमने क्लॉक बनाई है, उसका नाम दे दिया 08 डबल कॉलम 00 AM. Okay. When you present in front of the client after 1 week, okay, client says, no, yaar, I don't need this. I did in 24-hour format. No problem. You take a new requirement because वो तो नई requirement हुई, तो you took a new requirement, again गए, फिर नई टिकट बनी, you again work for 1 week, and again after 1 week version 2 के हिसाब से you can come और यहाँ पे आ गए 24-hour format वाली क्लॉक लेकर, okay. 24 डबल कॉलम 00, यहाँ पे एमपीएम फीचर की जगह भी हटा दिया, एमपीएम फीचर भी हटा दिया तुमने और डायरेक्ट सेकंड्स वाला फीचर लेके आ गए, राइट, लाइक दिस। ओके, 24 आवर्स में एमपीएम फीचर हट गया, राइट, तो तुमने यहाँ पे सेकंड्स लेके आ गए, ठीक है। देन क्लाइंट रियलाइज नहीं यार, दिस बिकम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, पुराना वाला was better. Okay, this was V1. Okay, and this was V2. Okay, the new feature you have created, that is V2. Okay, now in front of the client feel that yeah, no, this is a tough. Okay, earlier one was better. So what you will say? अब क्या होगा बताओ? What you will say? If it's a manual, if you're not using the Git or GitHub, नहीं use कर रहे हो, तो what is the manual approach?
Redo the code.
रीवर्क करना पड़ेगा वापस से पुराने कोड
Correct.
के लिए।
पूर्वी ने बोला कि again give me 2-3 days time. I will go, I will write the new code and I will come back. Correct? ऐसे ही होगा, right? Because requirement has been changed. और ये this is a very common thing happen into the dev environment. Okay? तो again it will be a 1 week of time. You will ask 1 week of time. Okay, ठीक है, हम 1 week बाद आते हैं with the your requirements. Okay? Now assume that you are using the Git. यहाँ पे तुम्हारा previous code available है. तो now give me the answer. If you have a previous code available, how you will react? I was aware कि मुझे पता था कि यही requirements fix होगी, okay, so I just keep the version active, okay। अब यहाँ पे तुमने एक command run करोगे, only one command, and you will go to the previous version. What is that command?
Roll back.
Checkout, with checkout, V1.
Roll back. Roll back.
नहीं, सही command दो यार, give me the correct command। You have to go to the previous version, git
merge pull
Revert.
Then checkout.
Git revert.
Git checkout.
Sir, git revert, sir.
git revert, okay,
Git
git
checkout,
revert is a
previous
command,
version.
git revert, and you will go to the previous commit, हो गया बस। Okay, so what I would like to say to you guys, okay, see things become easy. जो एक वीक का टाइम मांग रही थी पूर्वी, now पूर्वी is telling okay, I will run the git revert command और ये लो आपका previous version. Understood? Yes, no? Guys, yes, no, yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? So what exactly I would like to say, if we will use the tool git tool को local system में use होगा, okay, the tool will be installed into the git local machine and tool will push the code into the centralized location that is called GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub is a centralized code management system, okay, and these things will be easy. Let me show you the GitHub. Okay, मैं GitHub को show कर देता हूँ just on a high level, okay, github.com, okay, what नहीं अपन तो चलते हैं ना। have you heard about VLC player? VLC player, VLC player के बारे में पता है क्या होता है? What is VLC player?
Yeah,
Media
audio
player to
player.
run the
Watching the
videos and the
Correct.
audios.
One of the most popular media player, right? Where we can run the movies and all these things, media files we can run it. So VLC code is available into the GitHub. Okay. Now, guys, I have a small question. ये कोड है तो how we will get to know that in which language it has been written? कौन सी लैंग्वेज में लिखा है? Answer is in front of you guys. बोलो,
Sir, can I explain, sir?
which language?
C language.
C
There are
language.
multiple
60
languages, sir. C, C++, QML,
61% in
Java.
C language, 18% in C++ language. How this has been calculated? This has been calculated automatically by this software GitHub. How many people has contributed into this code? Okay, कितने लोगों ने मिलके ये कोड लिखा है? The answer is coming here, 623 contributors who has write this code. Okay, अब उसमें से if you will click here कि इसमें से इतने कंट्रीब्यूशन में से okay, this many contributors, which person has written what code, you will get to know. The first code of the VLC came in 2002, right? From 2002 क्या changes किए, that also things has been maintained into this place. Getting my point? Yes, no? Right? And is the active development is happening? Yes, the active development is happening in 2025. Already 2077 times the code has been changed. So this all things are getting tracked. Who is tracking? It is getting tracked by the tool GitHub. Okay, now चलो let us assume भाई अभी 2000, अभी तुमने कल क्या कोड लिखा था? Have you, अच्छा, we created yesterday one machine. What is the name of the machine? What is the name and what is the configuration of the machine? Correct? Yes, no? Agree? हाँ, IS, PS, SS, Mohan is telling. Correct. What is the CPU memory of that machine? 30
30
GB.
GB.
देखो, अब 5 लोगों, 4-5 people are combining and giving the answer. Correct? तो now let assume इस 2053 में क्या कोड लिखा था? Okay? चलो, I am just checking this person, Robert. Okay? इसने 7000 चेंज किए हैं. the first changes he did, और जो भी होगा उसका leave it, okay, but I'm just opening one of the code कि 23 सितंबर को क्या कोड में चेंज किया है, तो I'm just opening it, और whatever is minus plus, see, he just add, यहाँ पे इसने only इक्वल टू की जगह एप्सिलॉन लगाया है, ओके, अर्लियर माइनस मतलब रिमूव किया है एंड प्लस मतलब ऐड किया है, तो ही जस्ट रिमूव द इक्वल टू और उसकी जगह एप्सिलॉन लगाया है, ही जस्ट चेंज दिस थिंग, एवरी स्मॉल चेंजेस आर गेटिंग ट्रैक्ड with the help of software called GitHub. Getting my point? Yes, no? Yes, no, yes, no. It's getting my point? Yes,
Yes.
no,
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is the use of Git और GitHub tool? कि भाई इसने कब चेंज किया था, एवरी डेट, हु डिड, हाउ ही डिड, कब किया था, किसने किया था, कितनी बजे किया था, व्हाट चेंजेस, इफ एनी सिंगल लाइन आल्सो गॉट चेंज, इट इज गेटिंग ट्रैक, ओके। तो इट इज द बेनिफिट इज लाइक कि पूर्वी ने क्या कोड लिखा था 6 महीने पहले, 5 years बैक, 10 years बैक, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी मेंटेन इनटू द सेंट्रलाइज्ड लोकेशन. So code management will be happen with the help of Git and GitHub into our IT. Got it? Yes, no? Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
समझ में आया? Okay, and we will utilize the actual senior person in a better way. Okay, we will remove the dependency ki bhai you will wait for Ratan or you will wait for some other person. No, you don't have to. Your code is completed, you can go and leave it. The problem is like if the machine goes down, if the Purvi want to go for leave, she can go, she can leave the company also, correct? Yes, no, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right? No dependency. Okay, junior person has everything, he can also able to work in a simultaneously with the better benefit, but उसको टाइम लिखने में टाइम लगेगा, but he can also able to manage it. Now I'm coming into the another tool. Okay, there are multiple tools available into the market for DevOps. Okay, now I'm just skipping that, I'm directly coming into the actual part of the DevOps. Okay, there are multiple tools. Just give me a second. There are some problems, okay, in the DevOps. There are in the manual process, there are some problems. Management and tracking of the code is very difficult. So as a DevOps engineer, we are giving Git and GitHub tool, correct? Okay, second, now let assume it's a big project. Okay, this project is a big project. Okay, and multiple times you are making the builds. Okay, ये build बनेगा. See, if the code is ready, if you build it, then only this clock will run, correct? Yes, no? Compilation and building is required. Guys, everyone agree? Compilation and building is required. Now if, let assume, if you will automate this process, compile and building, okay, you can automate this. This is called CI process. As soon as developer push the code, compilation and building should happen automatically. Testing should happen automatically. Okay. If we want to do it this type of activity, then again we have to bring one tool. Bolo, kaun sa tool will help? Which tool will help?
Jenkins.
Yes, Jenkins. Jenkins will come into the picture. Automated builds will happen automatically. Okay, or incremental builds will be happen automatically. तो new tool will come as a Jenkins. सर क्यों ले के आ रहे हो Jenkins को? चलो ठीक है. Let assume you are manager, you are lead. Okay, कोई एक बंदा lead, अपना नाम बोलो. Anyone lead? Anyone of the lead? Any of the person call yourself as a lead? कोई अपने आप को बोलो कि सर I am a lead of this team. इस टीम का मैं lead बनना चाहता हूँ. Anyone? Ramesh. Okay, चलो Ramesh is your lead. Okay, and Ramesh is sitting into the Canada. रमीश भाई कनाडा में बैठे हैं. ओके, और नाउ दिस थ्री मेंबर्स आर वर्किंग. ओके, और अपना अपना कोड लिख दिया एंड दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन रमीश की रमीश विल कम एंड ही विल कंपाइल द कोड. ओके, और ही विल बिल्ड द आर्टिफैक्ट्स. ओके, तो नाउ वी हैव अ डिपेंडेंसी ऑन रमीश. गाइस एग्री? यस, नो? We have a dependency on Ramesh. अब Ramesh is in different time zone, तो this people has to wait. ये लोग दिन में कितनी बार बिल्ड बना पाएंगे? One time, max 2 times. Yes, no? Guys agree? Getting my point? Guys, everyone, right?
Yes.
If Ramesh is sitting into the Canada location, time zone has a different or some problems, so this team can able to make a build 1 or max 2 times in a day. So 1 or 2 times only compiling and building and testing will happen. If Ramesh भाई को निकालो, okay, remove the Ramesh, okay, और उसकी जगह hire कर लेते हैं अपन लोग Jenkins, okay, Jenkins, Jenkins. What exactly he will do? As soon as you will push the code, automatically compilation or building will happen, or things will be faster automatically. Got my point? Yes, no? Guys, getting the idea? Means we will remove the dependency
Yes.
of any of the human being कि भाई ये compile और build करता था. Otherwise, Purvi was doing compile or building. So we will say, no, Purvi, you don't have to do it. We have a tool. He will do the compilation and building automatically. And he will send the feedback also. Okay. Yeah. So that type of things can be happen with the help of tool Jenkins. Okay. Perfect. Now, let's take another example. Guys, you understood two examples? Everyone clear about these two examples? Quick doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No doubt.
No? Everyone clear? All good? Just can I get a good into the chat box? Good. Thank you. Chalo. Now I'm bringing the another scenario. Okay. I'm bringing the another scenario. The scenario is very simple. Okay. Anyone from the operation team? Aajao. Come up into the picture. Anyone from the operation team? Yes, sir. I am from the operation team. Hiran.
Yeah.
Hiran is from the operation team. Okay. Hiran, I want to talk with you. Okay. HIREN, Hiran from the operation team. Hiran, I'm giving a requirement. You have to INSTL install PyTHON Python in to VM. कैसे करोगे? How you will do the Python installation into VM? Give me the help. Help me out.
We are creating an EC2, AWS EC2, दो मशीन बनाएंगे और उसमें पाइथन इंस्टॉल करेंगे विद द लाइब्रेरी.
How? कैसे करोगे? How? Yes.
EC2 में OS कोई भी उबंटू या फिर सेंट OS कोई भी OS सिलेक्ट करेंगे, उसको रैम और स्टोरेज देंगे, फिर उसमें पाइथन
हिरेन नहीं, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. हिरेन, गिव मी द स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर. कहाँ घुमा रहे हो? सीधे सीधे आंसर दो. क्या करना है?
उबंटू में पाइथन और लाइब्रेरी इंस्टॉल करेंगे.
कमांड.
Bash
आई नीड अ
scripting के
कमांड.
through.
वही तो रिक्वायरमेंट है. कमांड. आई नीड अ कमांड.
Bash scripting के through.
पिप इंस्टॉल
Apt
पाइथन.
get install Python.
अरे भाई कमांड. गाइस, यू आर 100 पीपल. राइट द
Pip
कमांड
install
इनटू द
Python.
चैट बॉक्स. कोई तो कमांड लिखो. Nitish, answer is wrong.
Launch the instance
Asif, answer is
after
wrong. Wrong.
install the
Git install.
Pip
Write it into the
installer
chat box.
wget
Guys, write it
command
into
is
the write it into the chat box.
hello.
One answer already came by the Sairam. Okay. Guys, so many people are telling pip. भाई पिप नहीं चलेगा. पिप तो पाइथन होगा तभी तो पिप चलता है. मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट ही है पाइथन इंस्टॉल करना. तो व्हाई यू आर टेलिंग विद द पिप? प्रतीक इज टेलिंग पिप 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 पिप. प्रदीप इज टेलिंग पिप. अफ्ताफ इज टेलिंग पिप. नीतीश इज टेलिंग पिप. पिप विल नॉट वर्क. ओके. अगर पाइथन ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल है तो फिर क्यों इंस्टॉल कर रहे हो भाई? Okay, now the answer is chalo. So what I was expecting is कि in the EC2 machine you will apt, you will log into the machine SSH, and then you will run the apt
राइट.
hyphen get update. Okay, और उसके बाद end. Okay, apt install python python 3. ये command run करूंगा, then my python will be installed. Agree? Yes, no?
यस.
Yes, everyone agree? सबको सही है?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
इस तरह से पाइथन इंस्टॉल होता है. ओके. नाउ ही हैज टू इंस्टॉल इनटू टू मशीन. तो दो मशीन के अंदर एसएसएच करेंगे और ही विल रन दिस कमांड. हो गया. ओके. नाउ ही हैव टू इंस्टॉल द पाइथन इन 50 मशीन्स. कैसे करेंगे? बोलो.
Automate.
Around 50 Terraform.
राइट इनटू द चैट बॉक्स. लिखो जरा चैट बॉक्स में. अरे लिखो 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 चैट बॉक्स में लिखो यार. लिखो चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. राइट इट इनटू चैट बॉक्स. गलत आंसर तो लिखो. आई वांट टू सी द रॉन्ग आंसर. यही तो रॉन्ग आंसर यू विल राइट इनटू गिविंग इनटू द इंटरव्यू और बोलते हो एचआर कॉल बैक. एचआर इज नॉट गिविंग अ कॉल बैक. राइट. एचआर इज नॉट पिकिंग माय कॉल. तो भाई एचआर विल नेवर गेट बैक टू यू. Okay, okay, chalo. Now, lot of people are telling a lot of correct answers. Great. Okay. Now, I would like to understand कि 50 machine है. If we don't know the automation, वो 50 times SSH करेगा all the machines में. Okay. और he will execute this command. Okay. और there may be chances अगर वो 50 machines में करेगा तो there may be chances 4 to 5 machines में he will miss और कुछ तो गलती होगी. Agree? Human manual errors. Yes or no? Right? और ये हमारी वीकेंड एक्टिविटी होती है. देयर इज अ वन वीकेंड एक्टिविटी कॉल्ड पैचिंग एक्टिविटी. Okay, that every weekend you have to log into all the machines, 50 machines, 100 machines, and you have to do the activity into the you have to do the patching activity. Now interview question, have you ever do the patching activity? कितने लोगों ने patching activity करी है real time में? How many people did it?
यस, आई डिड
Yes,
इट.
I did.
Hiren
sir.
did it. Okay. Hiren did, Mohan did. Hiren कैसे करते हो? Mohan, how you are doing in your company?
in
Through SCM.
SCM सॉफ्टवेयर से, ठीक है?
okay.
ओके,
Yeah.
और क्या करते हो?
WSUS.
और क्या करते हो? हाउ यू आर डूइंग इट? क्या करते क्या उसके अंदर? एससीएम के बाद क्या करते हो? व्हाट यू आर डूइंग विद द एससीएम?
SCM, in the SCM, we'll be scheduling the patching cycles. We'll be pushing the patches which need to be uploaded to the computers group.
ठीक है, ओके। तो देर वहां पे कुछ बना हुआ स्क्रिप्ट वगैरह है, उसको रन कर देते हो। ओके, गॉट इट, ठीक है। एनी अदर पर्सन हु इज डूइंग द पैचिंग एक्टिविटी इन द कंपनी?
सर हम लोग अपने इन्वायरमेंट में अटेरा से करते हैं, अटेरा यूज करते हैं।
ओके, अगेन सॉफ्टवेयर इज कमिंग इनटू द पिक्चर एंड यू आर डूइंग इट। ओके, कोई मैनुअल करता है? एनीवन मैनुअल? बिकॉज़ आई वांट टू टीच द मैनुअल एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट।
If
एनीवन?
anything failed, then we will be doing manual, like
हाउ यू आर
login
डूइंग इट?
individually.
आंसर,
Okay,
आंसर कैसे करते हो?
we'll log into the different,
ये वो
individual
करेक्ट,
VMs,
एसएसएच,
and then we,
एसएसएच टू द वीएम।
yeah,
हाँ, उसके बाद
and then we, in the Windows environment, I had it actually. We'll be logging in and we'll be
विंडोज में नहीं,
performing
अभी
the test
लाइनक्स में,
update.
लाइनक्स 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 लाइनक्स।
Okay.
गाइस पता है, सी आई फील कि इफ यू गाइस गो एंड गिव द इंटरव्यू शायद नहीं निकलेगा। ओके, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट एबल टू गिव द प्रॉपर आंसर। दे ही नहीं रहे हो, सब घुमा रहे हो। स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर बोलो, हाउ यू विल डू द पैचिंग एक्टिविटी इनटू द लाइनक्स मशीन। आ गया, प्रतीक हैज गिवन द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, यम इंस्टॉल अपडेट्स, ओके, एपीटी अपडेट्स और यम इंस्टॉल अपडेट, इफ यू एग्जीक्यूट दिस कमांड पैचिंग विल बी डन। हो गई। प्रतीक एग्री? यस नो गाइस, हाउ मेनी पीपल आर एग्री विथ मी? कोई भी एग्री नहीं है क्या? Yes, lot of people are agree. Okay, so either you will run. Shriram is giving this command. Give sir, I am using this command in my company. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Okay, apt get update and apt sudo upgrade command. Update or upgrade, we are doing it so that all the patching activity will be done. Means our latest software, latest vulnerabilities will be get updated. Latest version of the software will be updated with the help of this command. That's it. बस इतना सा command run करना है. Now, if I will tell you, you have to do into the 50 machines. How you can do in 50 machines? Sir, if I will do manually, there are a lot of manual mistakes are there. And in the 50 machine, if I have to do manually, I have to give 4 hours of my time. Correct? 4 घंटे लगेंगे minimum. Right? Logging to the machine, copy paste, logging to the machine, copy paste. Okay. Now, the better answer says we have a tool called Ansible. Okay. You have to set up one time or next time just directly एक playbook को बोलोगे run playbook. Okay. प्लेबुक के अंदर कोड लिखोगे, स्क्रिप्ट लिखोगे एंड एक्सिक्यूट इट, तो इट विल गेट वर्क डन इन ऑल द 50 और 100 और 500 मशीन्स। गॉट इट? यस नो? यस नो गाइस, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
सर अगर
समझ में
अपन
आया?
प्लेबुक लिख रहे हो तो 50 मशीन्स के पूरा आईपी एड्रेस देने में भी टाइम
एक
लगेगा
ही
ना?
प्लेबुक, एक ही प्लेबुक देंगे और यहाँ पे सारे की आईपीज ऐड करेंगे। ओके, कि इस
हाँ
मशीन में
वही।
जाना है, बस।
ओके,
ओके
तो उसी उसको भी टाइम लगेगा ना, मतलब अपन सर्वर्स
भाई,
में
वन
लॉग इन
टाइम
होना
एक्टिविटी
फिर।
है ना, वन टाइम
ओके
एक्टिविटी है ना, वन टाइम। मेरे को सिर्फ बैच बनाने में एक बार मेहनत लगी है, नाउ तो मैं एवरीडे क्लास लेकर पढ़ाना है मुझे। करेक्ट?
हाँ
यस नो?
ओके ओके।
राइट, वन टाइम इज इट टफ। ओके, एक बार घर होम लोन पे ले लो, उसके बाद ईएमआई देते रहो तो हो जाएगा। एग्री? यस नो? वन टाइम इज अ टफ। ओके, यस, वन टाइम सेटअप इज अ टफ। नो वरीज, आई विल टीच यू। ओके, बट वन टाइम के बाद नेक्स्ट टाइम इज इजी। तुम्हें पाइथन इंस्टॉल करना है, पैचिंग एक्टिविटी करना है, जावा इंस्टॉल करना है, डॉकर इंस्टॉल करना है, जो भी करना है, राइट? तो जस्ट वन कमांड एग्जीक्यूट और सब मशीन पे हो जाएगा। यस नो?
यस।
एग्री? राइट, सेम वे मैं को सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ। ओके, इफ आई हैव टू सेंड एनी मैसेज टू यू, ओके, ये मेरा अपना अपना व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है बैच 41 का। ओके, इफ आई वांट टू सेंड एनी मैसेज, मेक ए हैबिट टू जॉइन ऑन द शार्प 8 AM प्लीज, मैंने सिर्फ एक मैसेज एक बार करा तो एवरी इट्स रीच टू एवरीवन। करेक्ट? यस नो? एग्री?
यस।
वन टाइम एक मेहनत लगी इस ग्रुप को बनाने में,
ग्रुप को
राइट?
बनाने में, हाँ।
ग्रुप बनाने में वन टाइम इज डिफिकल्ट। ओके, आफ्टर दैट इट्स इजी। अब मैं कुछ भी एक मैसेज करूंगा वो तुम लोग के पास पहुंच जाएगा। यस नो? राइट, दैट्स इट। ओके, एक बार तुम्हारी आईपी मतलब क्या, तुम्हारा नंबर सेव करने में वन टाइम प्रॉब्लम। ओके, आफ्टर दैट इट इज इजी कि भाई ये बंदा कौन है। ओके, यस्टरडे आई सेंडेड वन जॉब रेफरेंस। ओके, सिर्फ मैंने एक बार ग्रुप में डाला, यहीं पे हमने सारा डिस्कशन कर लिया। एक बंदे ने पूछा सर ये बैच 40 के लिए करना, नहीं भाई बैच 41 वाले भी अप्लाई करो। गॉट इट? यस नो? तो नाउ इफ यू कैन क्रैक, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब। दैट्स इट, आई जस्ट सेंडेड अ मैसेज वन टाइम और वो सब लोगों को दिख गया। यस नो? एग्री? एग्री? यस नो? यस नो? Guys, yes, no, yes, no. Okay. And guys, I created a classroom for you as well. Okay, for the batch students. What I'm doing it, I'm sending. अब मैं एक जन को see, I will send one email and it will go to everyone. अभी मैं उसका एक basics automation दिखाता हूँ. Okay, I'm coming into classroom because if I want to send any email to you, I will send it with the help of classroom. CLS classroom में आए. Now I have already created a classroom for you, batch 41. Okay, ये रहा classroom और ये उसका invite link है. Copy classroom invite link. Okay, and I created an invite link और मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे batch 41 students को दिया JOI join this please. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे एक मैसेज करा. नाउ आई विल शो यू द बेसिक ऑटोमेशन. नहीं, ऑटोमेशन नहीं है, ऐसी एक एक्टिविटी है. ओके, नाउ प्लीज ज्वाइन इट. अभी यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं? ओनली, अरे कुछ पीपल, 7 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. ओके, 7 स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑलरेडी देयर. गाइस, आई गिवन द लिंक टू यू गाइस. प्लीज ज्वाइन द क्लासरूम. अभी 7 लोग ऑलरेडी बैठे हैं. ओके, प्लीज ज्वाइन द क्लासरूम. प्लीज ज्वाइन द क्लासरूम. ओके, आई गिवन इनटू द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके, 11 आ गए. ठीक है, नाइस. प्लीज सम एवरीवन ज्वाइन इट. आशीष पटेल, यू आर नॉट इन द ग्रुप. ओके, तो आई विल सेंड यू इनटू द बैच 40 ग्रुप भी मैं भी कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, ये रहा बैच 40 का ग्रुप. ओके, बैच 41 CLASSRON. ओके, बैच 40 वालों को भी बुला लेते हैं. चलो, ठीक है, ठीक है. हिरेकन, आई थिंक यू आर नॉट ए रजिस्टर्ड स्टूडेंट. अगर रजिस्टर्ड स्टूडेंट हो गए तो यू आर इन माय व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. इस ग्रुप में हो गए. जो whoever is not a registered student, they are not in the WhatsApp group. Simple. Okay, cool. So now I can see
Hello,
that how
sir.
many people. हाँ,
I'm a
पूर्वा, yes.
registered student, but I'm not in a WhatsApp group. Batch 41.
अपूर्वा, एक मैसेज मुझे मैसेज कर दो. आई हैव सेव्ड योर नंबर. मैं अभी तुम्हारा नंबर सेव कर दूंगा.
I have already messaged you. Yes.
अपूर्वा, मैसेज करो ना, एक बार करो, एक बार करो. नहीं
Okay,
आया,
yeah,
अभी
fine,
नहीं है.
fine.
एक
Okay,
बार कर
कर
दो.
दी.
ओके,
Yeah.
ओके. हिरेकन, मुझे नहीं पता. इफ यू हैव एनरोल्ड, यू आर डेफिनेटली इनटू द बैच 41 ग्रुप. अगर बैच 41 में हो तो HIREKEN हिरेकन. ओके, हिरेकन, आई हैव नॉट सेव योर नंबर. हिरेकन, नहीं, you are not yet enrolled student. If you have paid the fees, just give me the screenshot of the fees. Okay, so that I can add you immediately. Okay, cool. Now, okay, और now I am coming here and I am checking it कि यहाँ पे students आए क्या? Yes, I can see 11 अभी हैं. Let me refresh it. Okay, 53 आ गए. Great. Okay, means my things are working. Okay, at this point 53 students are there. Now I am sending an email. Okay, मैं अब तुम्हें see how I will give the information to you on the email. यहाँ पे कुछ मत लिखो दोस्त. ओके, आई एम सेंडिंग वन नोट इन्फॉर्मेशन कि भाई यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. whoever want to apply for the email, you can apply with this. Sahana from Bangalore. Okay, Sahana, we will talk. Okay, now I am sending this referral mail. Okay, so that you will get an email. Okay, now I just send it. Okay, now I posted it. Guys, can you check it? ये इन 53 लोगों को email आया है? Yes, no? Did you get an email? आया? Yes, no? आया? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
अरे कंफर्म मी प्लीज. यस, एक बार बोलो भाई, जिसको आया यस करके बोल दो. ओम तोलानी, यस से बोल दो. एक बार अनम्यूट करके बोल दो यार कि मैं आया है.
Yes,
आ गया, आ गया.
आया.
गॉट
yes,
इट.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. आ गया.
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है, ग्रेट. बस सी, आई वुड व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट वन टाइम सेटअप में टेक ए लिटिल बिट प्रॉब्लम. करेक्ट. अब उसके बाद इन द फ्यूचर इफ आई हैव टू सेंड एनी ईमेल, आई हैव टू सेंड एनी असाइनमेंट, आई हैव टू सेंड एनीथिंग टू यू, आई कैन जस्ट सेंड इट इनटू दिस प्लेस और इट विल गेट ए ईमेल टू यू एज वेल. गॉट इट. तो हर रेफरल्स, anything is there in the future. Okay, or if anything assignment I would like to give it to you. Okay, everything will be, you will get it automatically. Make sense? Yes, no? Clear? So what I would like to say that yes, automations also take one time time. Okay, one time struggle. After that, it will be easy. Okay, yes, same thing happen with our Ansible, Terraform, each and every tool. One time setup, learning, and this thing may take little bit time. After that, it will be very easy. Getting my point? Yes, no? अरे yes, no, yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Yeah, Jay, you are
Yes.
trying something? You are trying to say something? Anyone?
Sir, open telemetry is there in the is mentioned in the job description.
Correct. Correct.
Can I apply, sir?
See, if you know open telemetry, you can apply. Yes, definitely. अगर आता है तो बिल्कुल अप्लाई करो.
I
पर अभी
don't
तो
know,
एक ही
sir.
दिन हुआ है भाई. अभी तो एक ही दिन बैच को स्टार्ट हुआ है. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir. Rest of the
इसको
things
बैच,
I know, sir.
If you know, you can apply it. Okay, no problem. Guys, see what will happen. Okay, you send it an email. Okay, you send it a mail to the Infosys. Okay, uske baad second step is like you have to, if you are applying, guys, I'm teaching you. Okay, how our referral process will work. Okay, you have to give your email ID into this place. यहाँ पे अपनी email ID दो. Okay, see, I will show you batch 40 students का. Okay, जैसे ही मैंने उनको कल रात को ये भेजा, I given this detail. Okay, they will send the email address to us. Okay, मुझे email address देंगे. Okay, I will show you. Okay, see, 15 लोगों ने अपने email address दिए. So what I will do it, मैं इन सबके email address, I will copy this all email address और मैं HR को बोलूंगा, I will tell to the HR कि this all are my students. Okay, to give the call. You got my point? Yes, no, समझ में आया? Right, this is our process. Okay, if you are applying for any of the job, please directly give your email ID into our comment कि sir मैंने I have applied it. Okay, and that's it. बस उसके बाद I will pick all the email ID and I will give it to the HR. Got it? This is our process. सबको समझ में आई कि how the jobs you will apply? You will directly apply. हम लोग आपको directly apply करने को chance देंगे. Okay, and we will tell to the HR कि yeah, these are our students. Give the call to him. Make sense?
सर बट
Clear?
3 months नोटिस पीरियड के लिए थोड़ा स्ट्रगल हो रहा है सर, कोई कॉल नहीं आ रहा है।
तो भाई अभी तो एक ही दिन हुआ है बैच का, अभी तो रिज्यूम मैंने बनाया नहीं है, कहाँ से स्ट्रगल हो गया है? करेक्ट, अभी आई हैव नॉट सीन योर रिज्यूम, आई हैव नॉट टीच यू कि रिज्यूम कैसे बनाना है. गॉट इट?
Yesterday I sent sir for your resume. Okay.
अरे रिज्यूम भेजा है भाई, अभी मैंने सिखाया थोड़ी ना है. आई हैवंट टीच. करेक्ट, मैं सिखाऊंगा पहले रिज्यूम बनाना. ओके, कूल. और अगर जिसको जल्दी है तो वॉच द बैच 40 रिकॉर्डिंग्स, वहां पर रिज्यूम बनाना भी सिखाया है. प्लीज क्रिएट अ रिज्यूम विद दैट. तो योर रिज्यूम विल कम इनटू द टॉप 1% ऑफ द नौकरी. क्लियर? Cool. Thank you. Chalo. Now I'm coming here. Guys, what I would like to say that there are some problems into the environments, manual activity, and then we are bringing the tools. Chalo. Now I'm bringing the another. Okay, another tool. Okay. Now I'm coming into my notepad. Now, can anyone tell me any of the Java based application? कोई any Java developer or anyone Java developer कि Java की application कैसे चलती है? How the Java application works? Anyone aware about it? अच्छा चलो Java नहीं. कल हम लोग ने yesterday we created a one of the static website. Okay. How we created? Can you give me the steps? Can you give me the steps? बोलो, quick revision. How we created the steps?
So we took the template from Toolplate and
How?
we uploaded it to EC2, I mean, Google Cloud instance.
Sangram, your voice is
First
not
of
very
all,
clear.
we
Go ahead,
created a
man.
VM. Later on, we installed the Docker,
Correct. We created
Ubuntu
a VM. We updated the VM. Okay. Then,
VM, Ubuntu VM बनाया था. Then
हाँ,
later on, we installed Docker, and
we
after
installed
that, we
Docker.
installed
Correct.
Nginx. After
उसके
that,
बाद
we
कोड को
installed
कॉपी करा था,
Nginx.
कोड कॉपी करा था. ओके, कोड कॉपी करा था, डाउनलोड करा था,
हाँ,
अनजिप करा था. ओके,
unzip
अनजिप
करके
करा था. देन
एक
Nginx.
मिनट।
विद डॉकर कमांड वी क्रिएटेड अ कंटेनर. हमने कुछ कंटेनर बना के रन कर दिया. करेक्ट? यस, नो? राइट. तो गाइस, टू क्रिएट एनी ऑफ द स्टैटिक वेबसाइट, STATI स्टैटिक वेबसाइट, ओके, वी वी रिक्वायर्ड दिस मेनी थिंग्स. हमें ये सारी स्टेप्स फॉलो करनी पड़ी. करेक्ट? यस, नो? इफ यू मिस एनी ऑफ द स्टेप बाय एनी रीजन, कोड कॉपी नहीं करा, अनजिप नहीं करा, डॉकर इंस्टॉल नहीं करा, कमांड रन नहीं किया, एनी ऑफ द स्टेप, इफ यू मिस इट, दिस थिंग विल वर्क और नॉट वर्क?
No.
It will not work. Okay, developer knows. तो developer क्या करता है? He knows all these things, तो he will run the steps executed in order and the things will work. Correct? Developers do this activity. Okay, let assume, let's take an example. Okay, uh, let's take an example. If I will given the code, मैं सिर्फ directly ये code लेता हूँ. I am taking this code. Okay, सिर्फ ये code लेता हूँ और I will give it to the another person. मैं किसी और दूसरी टीम को दे देता हूँ, QA टीम को. Okay, QA team you have a code. ये कोड चलेगा? What you say in his environment, QA टीम में?
No, sir. No, we
Tell
have
me,
to share
चलेगा क्या?
No.
dependency भी share करना पड़ेगा उनको.
राइट, क्यूए नहीं चलेगा. ओके, पहले अगर मैंने जिप दे दिया तो उसको सिखाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप्स देनी पड़ेगी कि यू हैव टू अनजिप इट, यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल द डॉकर, यू हैव टू रन दिस कमांड, देन ओनली इट विल वर्क. ओके, एटलीस्ट 4 steps will be provided to him. Agree? Yes, no? Right, and then only it will work. Okay, cool. Now second, QA में तो developer और QA are friends, so they will help each other and they will do it. Okay, now next example, next thing, production environment, PROD. Prod में again QA will say, sir, I have tested this code. Test code is working perfectly. Okay. So what he will say, okay, code is working perfectly. So he will give, okay, code is working perfectly. He will give to the production team. Okay. And now this code is failed, or this build or this zip file is not working into the production environment. Who is responsible? Tell me, who is responsible? अगर ये नहीं चलता है तो who is responsible?
Obviously developer.
Developer, right? तो developer बोलेगा भाई it's working in my environment, it's working in QA environment. Why it's not working in your environment? It's your environment issue problem. Correct? Yes, no?
Yes.
Agree?
Yes,
And they
sir.
will fight. They will fight with each other. हो गई लड़ाई यहाँ पे. Okay? This happens. Now, this is very common, guys. Are you agree? This is very common.
Yes.
Right? Because of some reason, सी 4 स्टेप यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे डेवलपर ने 7 स्टेप एग्जीक्यूट करी थी, यहाँ पे 4 स्टेप दी, और यहाँ तक पहुंचने पे चलो 4 स्टेप ही आई, बट नो वन इज हेल्पिंग इनटू द प्रोडक्शन एनवायरनमेंट. प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट इंजीनियर बेचारा कुछ पता ही नहीं है कि व्हाट इज द एप्लीकेशन, ये कोड जावा में लिखा है, सी में लिखा है, डॉट नेट में लिखा है. ही डोंट नो, राइट? ही डोंट नो अबाउट द डिपेंडेंसी. इसने कभी कोड चलाया भी नहीं है, बट ही डिड द डिप्लॉयमेंट और यहाँ पे फट गया. द एप्लीकेशन इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर. Then who is responsible? Obviously the production support team is responsible for that, right? Production support team is responsible. Okay, now to solve this problem, ab batao, what is the best solution so that this problem will not happen into the future?
Docker.
Containerization.
We can create the
Docker.
artifacts.
Containerization. Okay, ये सारी चीजें pack everything into one box. सब कुछ एक बॉक्स में पैक कर दो.
Image.
Okay,
Image.
image, create image, सब कुछ एक बॉक्स में पैक कर दो and give this image to the another environment. QA को दी, QA को चल रही है, well and good. अगर QA में नहीं चली, QA and developer will fix it, फिर नई इमेज बनाकर and they will give the new image to the production environment कि भाई ये अपन रनिंग है, ये चलेगी. Got it? Yes, no? Now which tool will help image creation or container creation? कौन सा टूल आएगा पिक्चर में?
Docker.
Docker will do it. Got it? Okay. To use the Docker, a manual commands will come. Docker has only 10 commands, guys. 15 commands you have to remember. मैं सिखाऊंगा. I will teach you 15 commands. Okay, so that you will become a good into Docker. Okay. अब Docker से if you have 5-10 containers, you cannot manage 5-10 containers with Docker. Right? नहीं कर सकते, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. Right? 5-10 containers you can manage it. If 50 containers, do you know in the Netflix how many containers are running? Netflix में कितने containers run करते हैं regularly?
2 lakhs.
Millions.
Number of containers. Guess.
2 lakhs.
CUNTINERS. Okay, चलो, I'm just checking it. Streaming नहीं है, lack of Netflix number of containers running RUNNING running. I don't know. How many containers does Netflix run? As many 3 million containers per weeks are running. Do you think you will able to manage 1 million containers every month? Practically possible?
Lakhs.
No. Lakhs of containers are running, so it is not possible. So we need a tool. The tool name is Kubernetes will come into the picture, and he will manage the containers management system. Getting a high level idea of different tools of DevOps. GitHub is for code management, Jenkins for incremental bits, Ansible for automations activity, Docker for containerization, image creations, right? So what I would like to say that in the software development life cycle, whatever the problems are happening, okay, whatever the problems are happening, to run this cycle faster, okay, to run this cycle faster, we DevOps engineer given one tool for हर वैरायटी के लोगों को सबको एक टूल दे देंगे. Got it? Yes, no? Getting my point?
Yes.
Yes. Or we will help into the setup. That is our main job role. We have to play with the tools. That is our main job roles. Okay. We have to give the tools to the team. When we will give the tools to the team, the things will be testing वालों को कुछ tool दे दिया, developer को कुछ दे दिया, operation engineer को दे दिया, build engineer को दे दिया, and they will connect it with each other. ये सारी चीजें fastly चले, then only that is the main work of DevOps engineer. Got it? तब हम लोग को इंटीग्रेट कर देंगे इनको. अभी we have seen the individual tools and we will integrate that tool. That process is known as CI/CD. Clear? Yes, no? Guys, getting my point? Okay, so cool. Next 10 minutes. Okay, just I would like to understand some more about the tools. Okay, now in the DevOps, okay, for the planning phase, the first phase is planning. There are multiple tools in your using in your company. Which tool you are using in your company? कौन सा tool अपनी company में use कर रहे हो तुम लोग for planning purpose?
Jira.
Jira, very good. और बोलो, everyone is typing Jira into the message.
Azure
भाई
boards.
if anyone is a fresher नहीं पता कि क्या करते हैं तो there is a planning tool जहाँ पे tickets has been created, tickets has been tracked, ticket has been visualized और tickets की summary, okay, or requirement gathering is happening with the major tool that is Jira. 75% companies are getting used. So if someone will ask what ticketing system or what planning tool you are using in your company, you have to say Jira. Got it? Clear, everyone? Some people are telling ServiceNow. Yes, 75% Jira is getting used. 10% ServiceNow is also getting used. 10% Jira board is also getting used.
Service now we
Clear?
can track, na? We can track everything. Service now. Service now is for creating, planning something. Jira is the perfect tool actually for planning.
We can use, yes, we are using the Jira. Jira is the major tool for planning purpose. Okay,
Yes.
planning, creating tickets, assigning tickets, allocation tickets will be happen with the help of Jira. Okay, see, planning मतलब sprint planning, team velocity की भाई कितने लोग छुट्टी ले रहे हैं, टीम का गोल डिसाइड करना, साइकिल डिसाइड करना, कौन काम कर रहा है, कौन नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है, हाउ मेनी बिग वर्क वी कंप्लीटेड, हाउ मच टाइम वी आर टेकिंग, कि इस वीक के बाद अगले वीक क्या काम करेंगे, what is our next plans, that all things has to be maintained in the tool Jira. Who is using this tool? Used by everyone, support, DevOps, QA, everyone, maintained by Scrum Master. Got it? और तुम्हारा manager, your manager or your lead will manage that tool. Clear? So planning is happening with the help of Jira tool most of the time. Okay, cool. Second question. Okay, second phase of development or second phase of DevOps, that is called coding time. Okay, in which language most of the developers or DevOps engineers use the code tool? Which code tool is very common, popular for DevOps engineers?
Visual.
VS Code.
Visual Studio Code. Right? This is
VS
one of
Code
the
का
favorite tool. Visual Studio Code is one of the favorite tool because it can use Java, Python, Go, .NET, every language we can use it. Or in the tomorrow class, we will install the Visual Studio in our machine as well. भाई install करके रख लो बस, ठीक है? अभी कोड नहीं लिखना, but yeah, we will open the code and we will use it. Okay, cool. Now third phase. Okay, the third phase is a build tool in your company. What is your build tool? Example, Java project. Okay, take a Java example, Java based language. What is your tool which you
Maven.
are using in your company?
Maven.
Maven. Okay, Maven is one of the most popular tool for building purpose. Building मतलब कोड लिखने के बाद से डेवलपर राइट द कोड, कोड लिखने के बाद उसको कंपाइल किया, कंपाइल करने के बाद उसका आर्टिफैक्ट्स बनता है, करेक्ट? यस, नो? Zip file, war file, tar file, anything, whatever you want to create it, it will be get created with the help of tool Maven, Gradle, or Ant. Out of that, Maven is one of the most popular. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now I change my question. Okay. You have to do the build for Python based application. Which tool you are going to use for Python based application?
Right.
We
Python is
don't
not
require
required,
it.
sir. Not required.
पाइथन के लिए कुछ टूल की जरूरत नहीं है, इट्स ऑटोमेटेड काइंड ऑफ थिंग. ओके, इफ यू हैव अ पाइथन सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल, इट विल बी डायरेक्टली यू कैन बिल्ड और कंपाइल इट. ओके, कूल. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन द इंटरव्यू एज वेल. डॉटनेट के लिए क्या यूज करते हो, गो लैंग्वेज के लिए क्या यूज करते हो, वट एवर यू विल से कि माई एप्लीकेशन इज इनटू द सी लैंग्वेज और पाइथन लैंग्वेज, जावा लैंग्वेज, द क्वेश्चन विल कम अकॉर्डिंगली. आई विल डिस्कस जावा एंड पाइथन प्राइमरली इन द अपकमिंग सेशंस. ओके, कूल. Third tool. Okay. Fourth category. Fourth category is testing. Which testing tool you are using in your company?
Selenium.
Selenium and JUnit.
Selenium. Okay. Selenium is a major tool for automation. Okay. Web-based application automation will be happen by the Selenium. Okay. Next tool. Any other tool?
Yeah, Playwright.
JMeter tool. Okay. JMeter, Apache JMeter for performance related testing. Okay. If you have a performance related testing, you can use the JMeter tool, which is used by the QA engineers. Okay. Cool. And we will integrate with our Jenkins application or any other application so that this tool will work automatically. Okay, cool. Thank you. So next category, that is called release category. Okay, in the release category, which tool you're using? If anyone is working into the release manager, release team, okay, deployment team, which tool you are using? बोलो कौन सा tool use कर रहे हो?
Jenkins plus Bamboo.
Jenkins, okay, और एक और टूल बोला, which tool? Jenkins
Bamboo.
and Bamboo. को use कर how Purvi, you are using Bamboo?
Yeah,
Why you are using Bamboo?
our application is based onto the Java 7, so they have the code onto the stash. So that's the reason they are using Bamboo.
Legacy. Okay,
Yeah.
legacy application, Java 7. Okay, very old application. Yes, so people are using Bamboo also, but one of the common tool is Jenkins, which is using for the releasing purpose. Okay, if your application move into the Kubernetes, then Helm will come into the picture as a release manager. Okay, with the help of Helm also, we can able to do the release. So if in the company or interview anyone asks which releasing tool you're using, if see first we will start with the Jenkins, okay, in the 1 month, okay, in the next 1 month we will reach into the Jenkins and we will do the Jenkins as a release manager. When we will learn it, we will move into the help Kubernetes environment, and with the help of Helm also you can say. So you will able to say both the tools in the interview ki we are using the Jenkins and Helm for our releasing purpose. Got it? Clear? Now next phase is a deploy phase. Okay, which tool you are using for the deployment purpose, or how in your company, guys, don't see the image in your company. अभी अपनी company का आंसर दो.
Lightspeed harness and you deploy.
अर्जुन नहीं समझ में आया. What you are telling?
Harness.
Sir,
Harness.
Eclipse.
Okay, good. Harness is also one of the tool coming into the picture. Okay, yes, harness. Some companies, around 5% companies are using harness. Yes.
Sir,
Ansible.
Eclipse.
Okay. Yes,
Eclipse.
Ansible. If you want to create and deploy the infrastructure, अब deployment दो प्रकार के होते हैं, infrastructure और application deployment. Okay, when the infra will come, Terraform is one of the most popular tool available at this point. Okay, second point, if it's an application deployment, then Ansible will come into the picture. Got it? Okay, Chef and Puppet are outdated. अभी नहीं use होते. 5 years back it was using it, but not yet now.
सर Eclipse क्यों यूज होता है सर?
Eclipse तो भी डिफरेंट होता है यार. Eclipse तो डिफरेंट होता है. Eclipse तो कोड लिखने के लिए यूज होता है. Okay,
Code and bug
Eclipse
fixes.
is see Eclipse is coming into this category. कोड लिखने के लिए यूज होता है Eclipse. Eclipse is a IDE.
Local machine using that Eclipse tool.
बिल्ड करने के लिए ना.
हाँ, कोड बिल्ड लिखने के लिए, बिल्ड करने के लिए यूज होता है Eclipse. Okay, चलो, now I am coming here into the after the release deploy tab. There is a called release tab, okay, or operate tab. In the operate means if you want to manage the infrastructure or operate the infrastructure, majorly we are using the Ansible tool for the operation purpose. Earlier 5 years back, Puppet or Chef we are using it, but now it is not using it. Okay, because in the AWS also there is a service. Yes, in the AWS also there is service. In the Google Cloud also there is a service, but everything is chargeable. Everything is chargeable. So we need a free tool. So we are using the Ansible in our company. Got it? Got it? Yes, no? You have to say this into interview कि सर हम ये tool use करते हैं. अभी हमें tool का नाम तो पता होना चाहिए. Agree? Yes, no? Okay. Now next tool or next monitoring system. Guys, I'm blurring this. In your company, what is the monitoring system you are using? Tell me.
Kafana and Kibana, and somehow for the logs, New Relic.
Graphene with
New Relic,
Nagios.
Grafana, Zabbix,
Datadog.
App Dynamics,
AppDynamics,
Datadog.
Puppet, Datadog,
ITR.
Splunk. Correct. So guys, in every company, there may be chances different monitoring tools are available, because lot of monitoring tools are available. More than 15 more popular monitoring tools are available. Okay. Out of that, we have to focus on these tools. Okay, which I'm sharing in my screen. Okay. There are these tools which are very popular. Okay. Like Nagios, 2 years, 5 years back, it was popular, but now we don't have to give this answer. Prometheus and Grafana is one of the popular tool available into the market for Kubernetes environment. Okay, Splunk is very popular for the logging purpose. Okay, and CloudWatch is one of the most popular. If your environment is cloud environment, AWS environment, then CloudWatch is one of the popular. Okay, like some more others are there, like people are telling in Zabbix, Nagios. Yes, these are also there, but Zabbix has some limitation. वो scale नहीं हो पा रहा है Zabbix. Okay, new companies are not using the Zabbix. Okay, पुरानी 5 साल पहले ही people are using it. So अब now focus area is Prometheus, Grafana, CloudWatch, and Splunk is our, or App Dynamics. We can say that these are the all popular tool which you are using for the monitoring purpose. Got it? Yes, no? Clear? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Guys, I would like to make the quick revision one more time. Okay. For planning purpose, which tool you are using in your company? Bolo.
Jira.
Jira. Everyone. Guys, everyone. Sab log bolo, please. Everyone.
Jira.
Please
Jira.
speak up. Everyone.
Jira.
Jira. Okay. Now I'm not sharing my screen. Okay. For planning purpose, everyone come up on the camera. Last 5 minutes. Okay. For planning purpose, which tool you are using in your company? That is
Jira.
okay. Jira. Okay. One of the most popular for tracking and visualization of our tickets. Second, for coding purpose, which tool you are using in your company? Developers are writing the
Code.
code.
Visual
If
Studio.
you have to open your code,
Visual Studio
you are
Code
using
or GitHub.
Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code. Okay, is the most popular. Okay, cool. The third thing, the for the building purpose, which tool you are using in your
Maven.
company for building?
Maven.
Maven.
Guys, remember this thing. Okay, for Java-based project, Maven is one of the most popular tool using for compilation or building of the code. Okay, if it's a Python-based application, which tool we have to use for
No
building?
tool.
We don't need.
Not required.
We don't require any tool. Okay, good, thank you. Okay, after that, I'm coming into the next phase. This is testing phase. Which tool you are using in your company for the
Selenium.
testing phase? You are testing engineers. Selenium,
Selenium.
Unit. Okay, or
Selenium
JMeter.
Jmeter.
Your testers are using Selenium, JUnit, or JMeters. Your testers are testing it, and you are making the automation over that. Good. Okay. After that, the fifth phase, that is release phase. Which tool you are using in your company for releasing purpose?
Jenkins.
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 Jenkins. Okay, good.
Mongo.
For what we can say for the deploy purpose, which tool you are making using for the deployment purpose? Infrastructure deployment.
Terraform.
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 Yeah. Okay. Infrastructure
Ansible.
automation. We are infrastructure is Terraform and application deployment with the help of Ansible or Jenkins. Got it? Now, next phase, that is called what we can say operate phase. How you are operating your infrastructure, managing your infrastructure on applications with the help of
An-
Ansible. Okay,
Ansible.
means if you want to make any automations, operation related automations like any user came, any user left the company, patching activity, Java installation, Python installation, any software installation, most of the activity we will do with the help of Ansible. Got it? And the last thing for monitoring purpose, which tool you are using in your company for monitoring purpose?
CloudWatch.
Grafana.
Grafana, if it's a Kubernetes environment, and logging purpose Splunk. Okay. And if it's a AWS cloud, AWS CloudWatch. Okay. Or what else? Guys, bolo answer though. Give me the answer.
Grafana.
Mav.
Grafana. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Okay. So guys, Grafana is one of the popular tools. What I would like to say at this point, we are aware about the top 10 tools name of the DevOps. Yes, no? समझ में आए?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, अब हमारा वर्क क्या रहेगा? We have to explore one by one every tool for one week. Got it? Guys, how was the today's session? Just I am looking for a feedback, small feedback. Go ahead. कैसा लगा आज का सेशन? समझ में आया? मजा आया? Yes, no? Speak up, please.
So are we not going to cover Sonar Cube?
सोनार क्यूब फॉर कोड टेस्टिंग ओके वो डेव सेकॉप्स में आएगा अभी मैं डेवऑप्स की बात कर रहा हूँ ओके डेव सेकॉप्स आई एम कमिंग इनटू द डेव सेकॉप्स
Quality tool है ना.
मैं आऊंगा वो क्वालिटी चेक है तो डेव सेकॉप्स का पार्ट है ओके guys I want into the WhatsApp group I want a feedback into the WhatsApp group because why we have to write into the WhatsApp group reason है देखो मैं बताता हूँ क्या होगा लेट अज्यूम एक बंदा मिस कर गया ओके समवन हैज मिस द क्लास तो इफ यू सी द फीडबैक कि यार आज की क्लास बहुत मजेदार हुई मजा आया एक्स वाई जेड एवरीथिंग तो व्हाट ही विल डू इट ही विल वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग करेक्ट यस नो उसको क्यूरियोसिटी रहेगी एग्री यस नो गाइस एवरीवन एग्री यस नो
Yes, sir.
I agree.
ओके तो वो रिकॉर्डिंग बोलेगा सर आज की रिकॉर्डिंग दे दो प्लीज फटाफट तो रिकॉर्डिंग विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली इन 15-20 मिनट्स इन द एलएमएस सिस्टम यू डोंट हैव टू वरी आई विल शो you where exactly the recording is you don't have to go for anywhere okay on this link guys whoever is my batch student in this link the already recordings are available okay if you will go here within 20 minutes if you will click on this link you will get the recording okay batch 41 के अंदर जाना है कैसा दिखेगा how I will show it to you okay I will show in my environment this is the batch 41 okay I'm just coming back here यहाँ पे सारे कोर्सेज दिखेंगे, विच कोर्स यू हैव एनरोल फॉर बैच 41, तो बैच 41 ऐसा दिखेगा। एंड यू डोंट हैव टू गो एनीवेयर, ये तुम्हारा एक व्यू ऐसा दिखेगा, सिंपल सा। ओके, तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वीडियो विल कम, इट विल से दैट इन द 8 मिनट कि भाई ये सिस्टम को यूज कैसे करना है, हाउ यू हैव टू यूज दिस सिस्टम, तो दिस विल कम। ओके, second tab you will open pre-request, all the WhatsApp community link, group link, bookmarks link, every links are available into this place. As soon as you will come to the module 1 में यहाँ पे जो हमने फर्स्ट डे हुआ था, तो here is the day 1 recording, here is a day 1 PPT available. Okay, here is a day 1, फिर से PPT हमने अपलोड करी थी एक और बार शायद, वीडियो we have uploaded 2 times, so it is available, both the same recordings are available here. Day 2 का PPT video is available here. This is the day 2 PPT video. Okay, और ये day 2 का PPT is available here. Okay, day 3 का PPT sir, day 3 PPT is also uploaded in your LMS system. Okay, ये रहा यहाँ पे अंदर है. How you have to see it? You can just click on next, ये पूरा दिखेगा यहाँ पे. Got it? Got it? Yes, no? Please, yes, no. Is that okay? Yes, no. Okay, cool.
Yes.
And if someone is not yet registered student, guys, we
Yes,
have
sir.
given the video on the YouTube as well. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, here a batch 41 playlist. Okay, in the 41 playlist, here is a day 2 video. Here is जो 182 people has watched it till now. Okay, so here is a day 2 video. If you want to see it, ये मैं direct link भी दे देता हूँ in the chat box. Okay, day 3 video also we will provide it to you on the YouTube. Okay, you don't have to worry. Okay, so in this playlist you will get it. Only one person has written nice session. Okay, and yes, can I get a feedback into this link also? How was the session? Yes, signing off for Harsha, signing off. जिसको जाना है ऑफिस, you can go for the office. Okay, session is completed. अब हम लोग सिर्फ बातें करेंगे, question and answer and discussions. Okay, so whoever want to leave, want to go to office, yes, you are feel free to. Okay, if you have any questions,
So
feel free to
because
ask me. Yeah, Mohit.
because आपका स्टार्टिंग का 2 सेशन फ्री है राइट, उसके बाद टोटल
हाँ,
60 क्लासेस राइट, इज इट करेक्ट?
yes, 55 live classes are there. Correct.
So this is the complete DevOps from
Multi-cloud plus DevOps with AI program.
so for example we are talking about Kubernetes or
यस, जो अभी हमने बात करी है, टॉप 10 DevOps tools, Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform. I
तो
will
आप
teach all these things, Python and shell scripting as well, with resume building as well. Yes,
so this will be the regular class on daily basis right?
regular class Monday to Friday 8 a.m. Yes.
And जैसे मैं Kubernetes का बात करूंगा तो this is very vast topic but you will explain on a high level how to do the deployment or something
High
below.
level नहीं, one project, 10 services with 3-4 practicals, we will do it. 5 application we will deploy it into the Kubernetes environment. Cluster creation and administration activities I will teach to you. Okay, in the
So,
duration of 1 week. 1 week के अंदर.
okay, so we have a
Yeah.
total 55 classes right?
55 live interactive sessions will be happen. Yes. 55 plus only. Okay. It will run
50
till 15th of this November. 15th of December. Yes.
15th of December. So we have a project, right, with each of
5
the topic, right?
projects. 5 project.
Projects.
Yes. Every topic. Yes.
Okay. So how much charges have you disclosed something?
Charges, Mohit, what you can do it, you can just check into the website. Okay. Because I have to explain you a lot of things. I think you are not aware about the basic. You can just send me a message into the WhatsApp group. Okay. WhatsApp, I will give the details. Is that okay?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, because I have to explain you a lot of things because we have a lot of USP uniqueness. Okay, it's a live interactive session. Okay, we are not giving admission to everyone. Okay, we want a serious person who are looking for a job, who want to upskill themselves. Okay, because it's a live interactive sessions. Okay, so I want
Today
a
is
very
a
serious help.
today is
Today is a day.
a mock interview practice
Abhi,
tonight.
see, we can plan it. Okay, we can plan it if you guys are interested for the interview. Okay, but I feel this is very early for the interview, right? Abhi kya interview lunga? Make sense?
Okay.
Agree? So if you are feeling that yes, required, I will once there is a 8 p.m. we have a mock interview. Okay, we will come, we will join, we will discuss, discuss the Q&A. At least introduction का practice करते हैं, camera setup करते हैं, light setup करते हैं. Agree? Yes, no? Mic setup करते हैं. Yes, no? Guys, agree? Right? Table chair arrange कर लेते हैं. Chair पे बैठना कैसे? Chair ढूंढ लेते हैं घर में. Right? We will set up everything. Okay? By today. Cool. Yeah. Cool. Right?
कल हमारे कमांड के बारे में गया था,
डॉकर का कमांड, करेक्ट? डॉकर कमांड
लास्ट
Cool. Now let me give it to you. Docker command. Guys, I'm explaining that Docker command which is missing in the yesterday session, which we missed it. Okay. Now I'm coming here.
Because I'm not able to connect to this WhatsApp group, right? Can you just share me your number or link or something?
Okay, guys, see, whoever is not yet registered, not yet enrolled student, what you can do it. This is my website. As soon as you will come to this website, there is a WhatsApp group. Join the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can join the WhatsApp group, and as soon as you will join the WhatsApp group, you can ping to any of that. Is that okay?
Yeah.
किसी भी admin को ping कर दो. Okay, और my number is also there. एक blue tick number होगा. Okay, जिसमें मेरी फोटो लगी होगी. You can ping on my number. Okay, or my number is available here. I'm giving into the chat box also. 999344510 is my number. Okay, you can ping me directly. Cool. Thank you.
Hello.
Now, okay. Now, एक डॉकर का कमांड अपना मिसिंग हुआ है. ठीक है. Now I would like to take that. Okay, so I'm coming into the cloud computing session. Workshop cloud computing. Guys, I need your help. Okay, थोड़ी सी help कर दो. Okay, I want to see कि how many people are able to understand that command. Okay. Yeah, here is that command. Who will explain? कौन ये command को explain करेगा? चलो. Trust me, guys, it is very simple. Okay, if you will read it, you will able to understand. Yeah, Nitish, go ahead. चलो आ जाओ,
Yeah, no.
explain करो. Mohit, come up on the camera. ना आ जाओ ना, कैमरे पे आओ, please. कैमरे पे आ जाओ. Okay.
Docker, we are just binding our port, right? Port 80 to 80, and we are giving the local volume mapping. And Docker run, this is we are just
Mohit, आराम से, आराम से. See, we are running the Docker. Okay, with the
yeah.
help of Docker, we are running the
But
one of
yeah,
the container
correct,
called
correct.
with
Because
the container called Nginx.
I'm coming very slowly. हम लोग Nginx
आराम
का
से.
हम लोग
Okay.
Nginx.
Nginx is a container name. Okay.
Okay,
image name. Okay.
correct,
image name. Okay. Nginx is a image name. With the run command, image will become container.
correct.
Correct. Guys, ये सबको समझ में आया? Image will become container. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. चल. Now अब आगे बोलो. Yes. With the help of IT.
Interactive terminal.
We are giving the interactive mode and mind. Yeah.
इंटरेक्टिव टर्मिनल. ओके, मींस वी विल बी इनटू द इंटरेक्टिव मोड. मतलब तुम लोग डॉकर से बात कर पाओगे, डॉकर के कमांड्स को बात कर पाओगे. ओके. हाइफन डी मींस
Detached mode.
Put daemon.
Detached
de
mode.
attached. Okay, de attached mode. Okay, means
Yeah.
the whatever the output or logs will come, it will run into the background. Okay, it will run into the backgrounds. Okay, not in upfront. Okay, cool. This line,
Minus
what do you mean by this line?
port mapping.
पोर्ट मैपिंग. ओके, PORT हाइफन P बिलोंग टू द पोर्ट. ओके, अब ये पोर्ट मैपिंग किस किस की हो रही है? विच टू पोर्ट मैपिंग्स? ये डबल क्यों लिखा है? हाउ द टू टाइम्स
Internal
इज
and
रिटन?
Application to host machine.
expose.
VM डबल कॉलम
Container.
इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. इट्स इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन. ओके, मयूरी म्यूट, मोहित म्यूट. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग? हाइफन P बिलोंग टू द पोर्ट मैपिंग. पहला वाला पोर्ट है वर्चुअल मशीन का, सेकंड पोर्ट इज ऑफ कंटेनर. गॉट इट? ओके. हाइफन V बिलोंग टू, हाइफन V का मतलब
Volume.
Volume attached.
ओके. वॉल्यूम इज गेटिंग अटैच. कौन सा वॉल्यूम? सेम वे वर्चुअल मशीन का वॉल्यूम वर्सेस द कंटेनर वॉल्यूम. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ चलो एक बार कौन प्लीज एक्सप्लेन करेगा? प्लीज पूरा कमांड गो अहेड.
हम लोग Docker run से Nginx का
नहीं, मोहित
कंटेंट.
हो गया, तुम्हारा हो गया. समवन एल्स, एनीवन एल्स, कोई और, कोई एनी अदर पर्सन.
We are
हाँ
running the.
साईराम, गो अहेड.
Yeah.
या कोमल, गो अहेड.
Yeah.
Shall I?
Sure.
हाँ,
Sure.
गो अहेड,
Yeah.
गो अहेड.
Okay. So we are running a container with the Docker run
करेक्ट,
command in an interactive and detached mode
करेक्ट,
via
गुड.
port 80, and we are
With the
attaching the
port number
volume.
80 mapping, okay, and volume also will be attached. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as we run this command, what happened? Our container has been created. The Nginx container has been created, and with this data, the container is up and running. That's it. Understood? Guys, everyone understood?
What's the
Yes, sir.
container path? Container
सर ये
inside.
इंटरैक्टिव मोड मतलब क्या होता है एग्जैक्टली?
इंटरेक्टिव मतलब हम उससे बात करेंगे. जैसे अभी हम लोग के लाइव एंड इंटरेक्टिव सेशन है. करेक्ट?
ओके, यस.
राइट, हम लोग आपस में कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं. राइट, यू कैन शेयर, टू वे कनेक्शंस आर हैपनिंग. This is called interactive mode. Means you will connect, you will interact with the container directly. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Cool. All good. All good,
Sir,
guys? All
what is
good?
the meaning of -v and -nginx?
-v मतलब होता है वॉल्यूम, वी आर अटैचिंग द वॉल्यूम। अभी मैं सिखाऊंगा, अभी मैंने डॉकर खत्म नहीं हुआ, अभी डॉकर तो स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ है। ओके, आई विल टीच। ओके, जस्ट आई सो एक्सप्लेन यू एज अ डेमो, नो नीड टू वरी। ओके, गॉट
Just
इट,
to
गॉट इट।
add,
या
volume
गो
we are
इट,
using just because it is like taking a reference what kind of image we want to show on the nginx
वॉल्यूम
server.
मतलब सी वॉल्यूम मतलब होता है डेटा। ओके, वॉल्यूम मतलब होता है डेटा। ओके, मतलब कोड का डेटा कहाँ है, वो वेयर इज द डेटा। ओके, वेयर इज द स्टोरेज रिलेटेड थिंग। ओके,
Code will lie here.
स्टोरेज, करेक्ट, डेटा डेटा। ओके, तो डेटा इज अवेलेबल मतलब डेटा यहाँ पे इस लोकेशन पे रखा है। हमारा कैफे का कोड था, राइट? तो कैफे कोड इज रिटन इनटू दिस लोकेशन, बस।
Sir, Nginx is a Docker tool for authentication.
nginx इज एक nginx, अब क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज nginx। गुड, ओके, चलो गाइस बोलो व्हाट इज nginx।
It's a web
Web
server.
server.
She can
Open
also
web
Genesis or web
server.
server.
Web
It's one
server.
of the most, it's one of the
Most
most popular
popular.
web
Yes.
server.
web server.
Okay, one of the most popular web server. Okay, it can be used as a reverse proxy, load balancer, but अभी के लिए it is one of the most popular web server. That's it. अभी तो पिक्चर शुरू ही हुई है दोस्त, अभी तो सब कुछ बाकी है, एवरीथिंग इज बाकी है अभी सब पे। अभी तो एक भी प्रैक्टिकल ही नहीं हुआ है। माय प्रैक्टिकल विल बी स्टार्ट आफ्टर लाइनेक्स। अभी तो पहले लाइनेक्स तो सीखो, देन ओनली माय प्रैक्टिकल। सी, इफ यू विल सी द सिलेबस, ओके, सम पीपल आर टेलिंग सर आपने इतने सारे प्रैक्टिकल तो करा दिए, व्हाई यू आर नॉट एडिंग इट इन योर लिस्ट। मैंने बोला भाई वो प्रैक्टिकल नहीं है, वो तो सिर्फ डेमोज है। ओके, अभी प्रैक्टिकल तो शुरू होंगे। ओके, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द एडब्ल्यूएस। कुछ लोग तो अभी इतने में तो बोल देते हैं सर 2 प्रोजेक्ट हो गए आपके, करेक्ट, और बोल देते टाटा, राइट? आई नो सम पीपल आर टेलिंग, इतना पढ़ा के बोलते सर 2 प्रोजेक्ट कर दिए। भाई अभी तो शुरू भी नहीं किया, अभी हमने, ये तो डे 12 से
Hi, sir.
प्रैक्टिकल स्टार्ट होंगे, तब आएगा मजा। द रियल गेम विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द डे 12
लेकिन
व्हेन यू विल डू द
Sir, I have a
असाइनमेंट्स।
question, sir.
तो प्रोजेक्ट हम
हाँ सुशांत बोल, सुशांत अच्छा पहले बताओ अभी आज की क्लास कैसी लगी है, बताओ हाउ वाज द सेशन।
बढ़िया बढ़िया सर।
बढ़िया, ठीक है, ओके, आगे बोलो। यस,
हाँ, वो हमने अपनी जो 2 प्रैक्टिकल के हम ट्राई करना चाहते थे, फिर आप बोले कि अकाउंट सेटअप करना है, प्रोसेस बताना, आप बता।
सुशांत अभी मैं सिखाऊंगा, वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, अभी मैं सिखाऊंगा, आई विल टीच, अकाउंट बनाना सब कुछ बनाना सिखाएंगे।
ठीक।
गॉट इट। सी द रीजन इज, अगर मैं अभी डे 1 पे प्रैक्टिकल नहीं करूंगा तो बोले 2 बच्चे कमेंट करेंगे सर केवल थ्योरी पढ़ा दी आपने, तो आपने कुछ प्रैक्टिकल नहीं कराया, हम तो प्रैक्टिकल करने आए थे, एक ही दिन में सब कुछ पढ़ना था हमें। तो यस, आई हैव टू डू दैट
Hi,
आल्सो।
sir.
गॉट माय पॉइंट?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Sir, sir, I have a doubt. Sir, I'm
हाँ
not able to
बोलो।
understand many topics like patching and
मयूरी कोई
SSH.
बात नहीं,
What
मयूरी
can?
इट्स ओके, मयूरी मयूरी
Hmm.
सी अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, अभी तो मैं सिखाऊंगा, आई विल टीच यू। अभी शुरुआत नहीं हुई है, मैं सिखाऊंगा, अभी मैंने कुछ नहीं करा है, इट्स जस्ट मेकिंग योर फाउंडेशन। ओके,
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Okay.
है ना, या
Sir, एक question था, sir.
हाय मैम,
Hello.
हाय मैम बोलो।
सर एक क्वेश्चन था, जो भी डॉकर रन की कमांड चला है अपने,
हम्म,
तो इज दैट कंपलसरी कि उसमें जो टीआई इंटरेक्टिव मोड में ये था, तो
नहीं
मेंशन करना
नहीं
कंपलसरी है?
नहीं नहीं, जरूर नहीं, जरूरी, हटा दो, हटा सकते हैं। ओके, वी कैन रिमूव इट।
तभी भी वो कमांड रन कर जाएगी क्या?
चल जाएगा, चल जाएगा,
हाइफन
डाउट मत
डी
लो
भी
जी।
हटा सकते हैं ना।
हाइफन टी भी हटा सकते हैं।
थैंक यू।
करेंगे सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट डॉकर की क्लास में करेंगे। ओके, cool. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy the session. I'm just looking the feedback कि कैसे आज के सेशन के फीडबैक हुए हैं। Okay, and yes, I get lot of good feedbacks. Okay, loving feedback from you guys. Thank you. किसी बंदे ने बोला excellent, किसी बंदे ने पूरी summarize कर दिया है, nice, very good. Okay, and yes, awesome session. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Learn a lot. Names, हाँ सही बात है, हमने अभी नाम ही सीखे। This is a reality. Okay, मैंने अभी कोई डॉकर कम्युनिटीज नहीं सिखाया, I just teach the names. Okay, बस उनके नेम सिखाए। मोस्ट ऑफ द डाउट्स आर क्लियर। थैंक यू प्रतीक, वेरी गुड। ओके, ग्रेट सेशन, नाइस सेशन। बेसिक्स एंड डेवऑप्स टूल्स कवर इन एक्सीलेंट वे। यस, थैंक यू प्रिया, थैंक यू, यही मुझे चाहिए था। ओके, थैंक यू आयुष्मान। ओके, यू हैव रिटन द फुल समरी। ओके, थैंक यू। और एक बंदे ने मेरे लैपटॉप का स्क्रीनशॉट भी दे दिया है, वो भी बढ़िया है। ठीक है, गुड, कमांड क्या गया। ओके, तो अब सी दिस इज द रीजन फॉर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। अब तुम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछो, देर में भी चांसेस रमीश, श्रीराम, मुकेश, ये सारे आंसर तुम्हें दे देंगे। अब तुम क्वेश्चन पूछो तो सही, राइट, कि सर आज की क्लास में मुझे ये डाउट है, दिस पीपल विल गिव द आंसर। गॉट इट? यस, नो? Good. And that's it for today. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Signing off for today. मिलते हैं कल. Tomorrow we will come. नहीं, हमारा DevOps थोड़ा सा we will make the discussion on DevOps and tomorrow we are going to start the Linux. एक बार और बता देता हूँ लास्ट में क्या Linux पढ़ने वाले हैं हम लोग. Let me come up here. Yeah. Guys, these all the things we are going to start with the Linux. Means we will start with very basic. Okay, we will go little bit into the Google Cloud, and then on the day 3 we will go into the advanced level. After that, real-time troubleshooting, and then interview perspective related things. Next 1 or 2 days we are going to discuss in the Linux. 1 week you will become a technology person. Okay, and that is called Linux administrator for the DevOps activities we are going to do. Got it? Cool. And we are planning some lot of quizzes, hackathons kind of activity in our LMS system. Everything is available. We just have to allow you for you. So when the weekend will come, we will give some assignments to you. Okay, जितना पढ़ोगे वो सब revise करना है. Okay, cool. Thank you and thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye and signing off for today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.